What's up, people? Welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully, everybody's having a somewhat decent afternoon. I just have one question. What the hell did you guys do to the market while I was gone? All I did was go to take a lunch break, and you guys sent the SPY to new day lows. That was not the plan. That was not the plan, people. That was not it. That's not what we wanted. All right, everybody. So, I mean, Amy's down a pretty significant amount right now. GME's down 10%, which, I mean, does any of this make sense? No. This is kind of what you have to mentally prepare yourself for. Them taking it as low as they possibly can. Just flat out. You have to mentally be prepared. They're going to send it lower. With the market the way it is right now, with the amount of shares that they have that they can short, and the institutions not stepping back in to really counteract those big sell walls, because retail, like, think about it. Retail can spread out their orders a little bit and like continually get that slow backdrop of buying pressure and the FOMO coming in. But if big sell orders come in, the institutions have to come in with big buy orders to cancel it out. They're not really doing that right now. So what we really are waiting for is, one, the market, the whole situation right now to just kind of relax. But fundamentals of the company, stronger. Short interest, still high. Market, still freaking out. Nothing to do with AMC and GME right now. So in my opinion, I literally have told you guys this before. I'm prepared to hold this thing for as long as possible. So I've got Para up on the 30-minute chart over here, and it's just kind of coming down and bouncing off that 13 EMA on the 30-minute chart. I still have that free contract. It's looking pretty good. So other than that, though, I mean, it's free. I might as well hold it for the next couple of days and see what happens. So I think the 13 EMA is at like, what is this? 30. I think it's 34.72. But let's see here. Let's see. So AMC popping up a little bit. Let's see here. How you guys doing? You guys doing good? Micron Taco Bell puts. There you go. Also, as everybody's filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You guys are the best. Let's see here. To understand dilution, Mullen dilution coming. So is the price already affected by it since the Ortex data is messed up? I don't think they've sold it yet. I think they just announced it. But remember, here's the other thing. If they've short exempted this thing into oblivion and they offer more shares, it's going to be non-dilutive. Like, this is a perfect example. We can just watch what happens with Mullen and kind of see. We've seen the amount of short exempts on that thing go absolutely crazy. So here's what I want you guys to look out for. If Mullen does this offering and it comes down a little bit and then it just really explodes, then we're ready to go. Hey, Vix, I'm saving up cash to start the 1348 strategy. You'll see me comment more often. Christian, good for you, buddy. All right, so we got this perfect bounce right here off the 13 EMA on Para on the 30-minute chart. So I'm holding my free contract. That's how we're doing things over here. That's the new strategy. Hold the free contracts. Make a little bit of money. Hold the free contracts. Let's see here. Let's see. Are we just battling fear-based algorithms in the entire market, not paper hands? Yes, that's essentially what it is. They're just ping-ponging shares all over the place. So SPY's bouncing up a little bit here. Amy's trying, but I mean, you get this 5-minute MACD cross. It's not really going to help us out a whole bunch. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that on Para. Oh, yeah. 13 EMA bounce on that 30-minute chart right there. Woo! There you go. That's exactly what we're looking for. See what happens when you use 1348 on different time frames? I mean, that's a nice little bounce right here. Here we go. Learn the rules. Absolutely. Christian, we're going to hope to see you in the Discord, buddy. I mean, make sure you learn the strategy first before you dive right in. Because if you don't learn the strategy first and you just try to willy-nilly take alerts, you will lose. And that's not what we want. Let's see here. Nice bounce on AMC. Yeah, SPY got a gap fill. Where? Oh, was that the squirrel? That's the one that we were looking for that day. This one way back here. Where is it? This gap fill right here. This 417 one. That's the gap fill that we were looking for. All right, so maybe we're good to go here. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a reversal here. We'll see. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 4 different plays today. Banked. I'm done for the day. Attaboy. Also, Justin Gameshi, I think is how you would pronounce your name. Justin, welcome to the membership, buddy. I really, really appreciate it. Shout out to all the members in here. You guys are awesome. I really, really appreciate you guys. Yep, exactly. Yeah, I think we could be good to go on the SPY here in a little bit. Let's see what happens. After that gap fill, I mean, let's see. 51 million Chinese tests. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Stop with these bearish catalysts, man. I don't know. So we'll see. We got this gap fill. SPY's looking to get that 1348 cross. Not 1348. 5-minute MACD cross over here. I mean, Para is still looking good. Contract's still in the money. How much is it up? The free one? Probably like 50% right here. 38%. That kind of sucks. It was up 100. Bearish. It's just Omicron over there. We already had it. Yeah, I mean, like, what's the deal? I hate to be that guy, but come on. Come on now. We're all right. You're going to learn the strategy. I have your EMA and MA lines set up, and I'm going to watch a review day trader series to get indicator set up. Cheers. Yeah, exactly. Christian, if you join the free part of the Discord, if you just join in there, all the videos are listed out for you in order. So make sure you check that out. What's a good play right now? I got nothing for you right now. Well, we'll be looking. I'm gonna leave this on the 30-minute chart. I like this here. IMPP is running. Oh, is that oil? Oil's down 5%. Neo doesn't seem to like the news. Oh, I know. That's the wrong one. That's a 30-minute chart. But I mean, I had Neo puts this morning. I could have sold it when they went sub 14. I think I lost like 5%, 10% on it. It wasn't too crazy. I just wanted to get out. I mean, I'm still very green on the day in terms of a percentage, like very green. Para was the trade of the day today so far. I have a question. You had got into that Neo put play and held it and was down 35%. Now I'm only down 1.34. Would you sell it or hold? First of all, you should never be down 35%. That's not allowed. That's like going against the rules. I get it happens sometimes. Neo working on a 950 gap fill. Squirrel. That's ridiculous. So honestly, with SPY doing this right here, 5-minute comes up, test rejects, comes back down on the 5. I would say it's probably coming back down. But careful. You got lucky with that going down 35% and coming back. Very careful. You're up 1,400% on one VXX call. 1348 is fire. Byron, attaboy. Guys, I mean, I think the results speak for themselves at this point. Make sure you guys check it out. Get in there. Get in the private live streams. Look at the alerts. Learn the strategy. And you'll be all good to go. 120% portfolio profit today. Not so genius. Freaking boy. That's what we like. I know how I totally went against the rule. Right. At that point, then you're like, oh, I'll take it at 40. And then you're like, no, it'll come back. And then you just get completely slapped. Pretty easy to be down 35% on AMC. It's different, pal. It's different. We're not trading AMC. Nobody's supposed to be trading AMC shares and stuff. If you want to buy calls on it, I mean, be my guest. But that's not Uber at 29 now. How low can it go? What levels to watch? I'll show you right here. Is it? Let's look. Wow, Uber slapped in the face. Oh my! Hold your horses, man. Where does this? Oh, is this 52 week? This is lows here. This is, oh no, this is down to 13. So what's this? 22. I think. Let's see. What's this? 29, 28.40, So watch 28.50 on Uber. Watch 28.50 on Uber. So like that would just be how I draw the supply and demand zone. So there would be one right around 28.50. So it probably could come down there. Micron, how those, oh, there it is. I mean, that's a little bit of a break below 70 here, but I don't know. I didn't trade any Micron today. We usually crush it on Micron. I just didn't get any today. I was more focused on Para, some of the other small plays that I was taking. AAL, we hit that one decent. I mean, that was 13%. I'll take that all day long. SPY turning around, maybe it might. It with that gap fill that it just did, it could bounce from here. We're getting that 5-minute MACD cross. If it crosses big, we could be in for a treat here. Where's Para? Yeah, Para looks all right here. I'm on the 5-minute. It doesn't look ideal. We still haven't gotten a 1348 cross down on Para. And on the 30-minute chart, it's just bouncing off of that 13 EMA right here. It's perfect. Yeah, let's see. The daily AMC 130 rip about to start. Oh, I'd love to see that happen. Here we go. What is it? 126? All right, people, let's see here. As you guys are filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I love Al Gore's rhythm. All right, here we go. And we got GME earnings after hours on. Let's see. Uh, 24 minutes till margin calls. Woo! All right, Para coming back up, SPY coming back down. Para's holding up really good here. I'm gonna hold this into the tomorrow. See, this is what I'm gonna be doing with the strategy now. Free contracts. I've already locked in 10% on the Para trade. If it goes to 0, I've won. Anyone playing the GameStop crypto this week? Well, if you're talking about loop ring, I mean, that's not really the GameStop crypto. That's what people think is the GameStop crypto, but not yet. When Melvin liquidation? Well, they've already done it. Like they've already Citadel pulled their 2 bill. 0.72 pulled their 750 mil. Let's see. Justin, what's up, buddy? All right, so SPY flickering a little bit here. Let's see if we're gonna get anything on the SPY. We want that 1348 cross and have it run, but I don't know. IMX, what's that? Retail group. Oh, come on, get that crap out of here. Micron down. Go. Wait, where's Quad U? Oh. Here we go. Quad U. Let's see. SPY down. SPY at that low. Quad U, just fall below 8, dude. I know you want to do it. Just down. Go. All right, let's see. Amy, 1358 over here. They were screwing with us earlier. They just pinned it at 1348 for a little bit. I was like, really, bro? I was like, really? You're going to do that right now? That's what we're playing over here? Guys, here's the other thing. With you guys that have been trading 1348 that didn't have money before, and you're in this situation right here with AMC where it is, you now have more money if you want to buy the dip on AMC. There you go. Neo puts every day have been consistent. Except for that one day where it was up like 13%. That was when we hit the calls on it. Woo! And the next day it just started that downtrend. Been super hesitant to play puts, but watching you trade is giving me the itch. Just got to be responsible. Puts are way easier in this market right now. Way easier, man. I'll tell you that flat out right now. Puts are 10 times easier than calls. Just because the market, once it starts going to the downside, there's no buyers stepping back in to push it up. It's just not like they're not doing it right now. But with after Powell, that's the thing. Like after Powell, it might switch. And then you got to switch your mindset. Like, okay, the buyers are going to come back. Where are they going to go? Value or growth? I would honestly, well, for trading, I'd prefer them into value. For For AMC, I'd prefer it back into like growth and meme stocks just because those would come back up. But if we're gonna trade, like you want the money to go back into growth because the IV and the projected moves are so low. So if those stocks start to run, like Walmart, if they start pumping money back into Walmart, you will make like look at this. Walmart on the 5-minute chart today is holding incredibly well. It's up 1.5%. You get these Walmart calls earlier, you're probably up 100%. The stock's only up 1.5% here. Imagine if these stocks start to run like 2%, 3%. Like Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Ford, all of those stocks start to go. You'll be making a killing on those trades. Landon, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Fox. Is that a fox? No, that's a cat. That's a cat. Neo puts are printing. Where's it at now? Is it sub 14? Because I was playing the 14. Yeah, see, I was playing Neoputs on this, and it bounced, and I got out. I was like, I don't like this. And then nothing. So this is not a 1348. If you got it, awesome. Congratulations. You're killing it. But if not, you're following the rules. You're still doing good. Para's still holding up really good over here. Same thing with Para. Like, if this holds, which it can, that's a Shiba. It looks like a cat. All puts printing at the moment. Yeah. My quad U is these quad U puts. How much are they up today? Like that's kind of what I want to look. What are they up today? Open PN. What is it today though? Quotes. They're up. Okay, they're up 300% today. That makes more sense. Oh, Rhode Island. Welcome back to the membership, my man. Shout out to all you members in the chat over here. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support. Like I really appreciate you guys. I'm trying to think of something to like to kind of give back to the members. I don't know what you guys want to do. I was thinking like last hour on Fridays we go members only so that it can be like just one-on-one with the members. But again, people hate going when people go members only, so I don't know. If you guys are fine just helping out to support the channel, it's cool with me, but I want to be able to make sure that you guys get something in return, because right now the membership is just for support of the channel. Maybe last hour on Fridays we go members only. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know. I've never done that before. I feel like people would yell at me for that, and that's not really the goal. It's just trying to give the member something. Ankles, you can no. That's for everybody. Hookers and blow. No. Yeah, it really depends on what the members want. Just say hi sometimes. I always say hi. All you members are awesome. Last hour Friday, ankles only. No, I mean, do I have an ankle? I don't think I have an ankle. I know we have squirrels on there. You have bought 244 shares of GameStop today. Boom. Nice job. Spy making new lows over here. Ah! Spy! Spy! All right. Where's Para? Is it below 35 again? Yeah, it's it's still bouncing off that 13 EMA. But then some might not be able to afford it. It would just be an hour just to give the members back because they pay like $5 a month for the membership, and I don't really. It's just for support of the channel right now. I want to be able to give them something. So. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we could do that. I don't know. Last hour Friday, I think we could. I don't know. We'll see. You're up 267% on UVXY calls. Made him free. Attaboy, Jake. Leave those runners, baby. All right. Para. We could see it. Spy's down about 0.77% right now. Amy's down 5.6. 1350 right here. We got GME over here, 82.79, down 10.68% today for absolutely no reason at all. Para is now falling below this 13 right here. So if we get a closing 30-minute candle below this 13, Spy, down she goes. All right, people, let's see here. What do you think about Oracle? It's all right. Don't forget to hit the like button as you filter in. Jake, I appreciate that, buddy. 1352 on Amy. Spy trying to pull up a little here. I think Para's fine. I think I'm going to hold these overnight. What's the 4-hour chart look like on Para? This is kind of, yeah, they can screw off. I'm holding this. 4-hour MACD just crossed. Yeah, I like this here. Last time the 4-hour MACD crossed, it was boom boom season. So we'll see what happens with it. We will see what happens with that free para. Thank you for 1348. Thank you, 1348, for this Goldman Sachs play. There you go. Ung cross up and testing the 200. I know how much you love Ung. Mark. No. Bad. Stop it. Amy. Bad. Stop. 415 next major support, then 410. Yeah. I almost want spy puts, but I know I shouldn't. I know that's silly. I know a spy strangle is the smart way to go, like a deep out of the money spy strangle. I know that's the smart play. Like, I just know it. Like, if I went for like the 405s and 430s, how would that be? Oh, wait, no, that's not this expiration date. That's the next one. Hold on. Oh, that's silly. That is silliness right here. Huh. Okay. Maybe spy strangle going into Powell. I actually really like that. With spy like this right now? Interesting. Yeah, spy strangle for Wednesday. I might do that. I would have to sell the para, though. I would have to sell the para. That's what we'll do. Yeah. Damn, I don't want to. Maybe I'll sell something else. Not really. I mean, Quad U doing good. Okay. I'll take a little risk here. A little baby risk. Let's see here. So we're gonna do spy strangle. Wait, we're gonna do this right here. I really do like this, actually. This right here. That's disappointing, spy. Why are you doing this to me? And then this right here. Why are they so expensive? I know. All right. I like that. Let's see where this takes us. All right, let's see here. Guys, also, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It really helps out a whole lot. Guys, I'm also going to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds here. If you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, helps out. I'll be right back, though. Give me like 2 seconds. I'll be back. All right, team. Show us the dog again. He's just hanging out on my bed right now. He's just having a good time, just chilling. All right, Amy 1350 over here. We got GME bouncing around. Let's see. All righty. Oh, I gotta shoot TMI that link. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, what's up, Mass Gang? How you guys doing? 60% on Paraputs. Woo! There you go. If you top take that, good for you, man. Is there any news update on AMC? Possible dilution rumor? I mean, they can do whatever. I mean, they can do that preferred shares thing, but I don't think they're gonna do it now. It wouldn't make sense for them to do it now. You're up 300% with puts on Disney, AMD, and Facebook. Woo! There you go, man. All right, SPY is just coming down to these new lows over here. Damn. Pairs are holding though. 26% on those. I like that. You put your entire 401k in AMC and GME. I ain't scared. There you go, Wes. I mean, that's a little bit reckless, but you know, it's up to you. Let's see. Let's see. All right. SPY calls for next week. I've got a SPY strangle for Wednesday. SPY's a little volatile guy, so we'll see what happens with it. You put your entire 401k on SPY puts? Oh, so you're rich. Jamie coming down is sad to see. Yeah, man, this is the lowest we've seen this thing in forever. Like, this is wild. 1351. Same thing on AMC. We haven't seen it hang out in these levels for very long. Let's see. Paris bouncing back up a little bit here. SPY is it's flickering here, but it's still on its way down. Still on its way down. So let's see what we're gonna get here. You strangled SPY once, then she. Okay, well that's aggressive. No news. SPY coming down might make new lows over here. We need buying pressure, buy and hold. Doesn't really matter about volume, like at all. We just need buying pressure. Volume's a result, not a cause. Oops. Does it make it more special when Amy hits 1348? No, not when it hovers there, because then they're just like, fuck you. And I'm like, all right, well, that's rude. Just sold your Neo puts, 40% profit, but still 20% down on the day. That's not, I mean, trades must, what'd you trade to get yourself down 20%? SPY has a gap at 400. I mean, it could fill it. TD news. Tom Brady's announcement was one of the catalysts for the para run-up. Okay, it might be. So you're saying I should ditch it, is what you're saying. Are you playing GME Strangle into earnings? Hell no. You think you're going to convince me to buy puts on one of these stocks? Is that how you think you're doing over here, pal? Nope. SPY trying to come back up here a little bit. Let's see. You want to see Mullen run this afternoon? What's Mullen at right now? Is it just mulling around again? That's a 30-minute chart. It's bouncing up here a little bit off that. What's it on the 5? 5 minute, looking like you get a 1348 cross. But again, I mean, I wouldn't trust it with the noise that's all around here in the beginning of the day. SPY trying here. I mean, it did fill that gap. You could see a run up, but I don't know. We'll see. Hello, Jack. What's up, DOREV? How you doing, my man? Jumped out of Micron puts when it was running up. Should have kept them. Yeah. You're having such a good day until you fat fingered the SPY. How'd you do that? Parachute down? I'm doing solid on this. GME against more candles. If they push this thing below 80 today, that's going to be insane. That will be absolutely insane. What direction are you playing, GME? Stop. I'm not playing it. 600 Valley of Death. I actually don't want to do that at all. Let's see. IV on these SPY contracts. The puts, yes. The calls are a little bit cheap. Quad U calls sold last week for 40%. UUU puts sold today for 40%. Making money both ways. Let's go. David Jones, attaboy. Where's Quad U right now? Oh, man, that thing's getting sold hard. What are these puts at? Does Strangle come back to the green? How are my Quad U puts not moving here? That's weird. I feel like they're just going to jump randomly. Because Quad U is down quite a bit. Keith, stop it. Let's see. What do we got on news? U.S. near deal to allow Venezuelan oil for debt swaps by Chevron. Okay, that's a bit strange. Okay. Let's see. SPY trying here. Not very well. Jeremy, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Here's $5 to FOMO some Mullen. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, you. What up, SV? Short Crusher. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Really pissed myself for selling UVXY $21 calls at a loss this morning. Did you hold them over the weekend? Is that what happened? Interesting. Ho, Pam, how you doing? Smash the like for STV. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Hey, what are you doing over there? Oh, he's just chilling. Too late for SPY puts? I mean, I have a strangle on it now. All right, new lows on Quad U. Good. Making the dough. Attaboy. That's what we want to see out of everybody in here. Just printing. I mean, that's the thing. Like, this is a trader's market right now. We know AMC is going to be heavily manipulated and just honestly dicked around with. But when we see like opportunities like themselves that we saw today in the market, I mean, you gotta jump on them when we see them. Wow, I cannot believe these Quad U's are not moving more than they have. Yeah, it's a little late for the same day expiration SPY puts. I mean, it can still come down. Like, this is it's about to break the new low over. It's about to make a new low. It's 2 cent, 1 cent. It just bounced off the previous low. Where's Para right now? Para, I think, is coming down below that. Yeah. It's still above that 13 EMA over here on the 30-minute. You made $1,000 today, and you made it in an easy way. Big Dave Bulls. Were you listening to the premium live stream last night on what we were talking about on just the slow and steady gains and how quickly that can compound in your account? You got your VXX, UVXY, XQQQ to make up for waiting on Amy. Pam, there you go. Micron below 70. Yeah. Honestly, a Micron strangle wouldn't be the worst idea in the world. I just like the SPY right now. The SPY strangle is nice. Let's see. This is out. Time for some hedgy tears for the rest of the day. Alrighty here, folks. Yeah. Oh my. They sent it down even. The low of the day is 80. This thing's down 13% in a day. Slow and steady gains, LFG. There you go. News on Mullen. More news or the dilution news? I don't see any more news. $13.48, 80% gain first trade. There you go, man. That's how you got to do it. That's perfect. Good for you. All right, folks. Let's see what we're going to get. Bad news on GME? Huh, funny. Nope. Look, news. Nothing. Oh, Wedbush says they think they're going to miss estimates. Who gives a shit what Wedbush has to say? All right. Wow. They pushed GME just now down below 80. That's ridiculous. We need a share recall, sign the position and share it. That's misguided, and you don't really know what you're saying there. AMC cannot perform a share recall at all. They didn't loan any shares. The only people that can perform a share recall are the lenders of the shares, and they can do it at any time. They're not going to do it right now, though. Do you buy complete strangles or do you buy separate legs on your own? I don't understand why the price end up different? Well, it just depends. I just buy calls and puts on either side. Pretty much the same distance away. So the SPY one, I have like the 404s and the 428s for Wednesday. You hear AMC will drop to 7.8 to support. It doesn't. Nobody knows, guys. That's the thing. Like every single time we start to see these downticks, everybody's like, "Oh, it's going sub 10," and then what happens? Boom. And everybody's like, "It's going to 8," and then it boom. It's like, all right. Every single time there's a big red day, everybody loses their mind. It's like, okay, even if it does go there, what's going to change? For me, nothing. Like it doesn't matter. You want to send it to 8? Cool. I'll just buy a shitload of it. Yeah, just buy more. Exactly. Nothing changes. Ortex? Yeah, we haven't done an Ortex update yet. Here it is. So for Ortex over here, we got 1.38 million shares net borrowed. 1.66% average cost to borrow, 20.73% estimated short interest. Remember, they've got about 22 million shares that they can, 21 million shares that they can use to short it right now. Let's see. Tyler said 10 on Saturday, so I haven't seen anyone say 8. He could be right. But again, it doesn't matter. They send it to 10, cool. Send it to 40, it's the same difference. Can you go over the average days on loan? Yeah, it's probably low. It's probably coming down. It's coming back up. 74 days is the average. I mean, it tanked around here, January, shorted the nuts out of it. SPY trying to pop back up to this 13 EMA in the 5-minute. Amy popping back up to its. Para coming back up a little bit as well. Do you fully trust Ortex? No, I don't trust any of the data that we're reading. Let's see. I use it as a guide, but I don't take it as like gospel. $10 is your average? Damn. BBIG, is it running? It got a candle here. Nothing too crazy, though. I mean, it's probably just going to pop back up to this 48 and come back down like it's done in the past a few times. Unless there's like a filing or news that's just come out about it. Tabasco Dave. That's funny, buddy. All right, let's see. Where's Para? Mullen profits into AMC. There you go. Buying today with 1348 profits. Already bought a bunch, feeling bullish. That's what 1348 is for. Like, do whatever you want with that money. Take it out, have some fun with it, buy some more AMC, do whatever you want. That's what 1348 is for. All right, let's see. Para's holding at 35. It's just flickering. I mean, SPY's getting a little poppier. It's coming with it, but we'll see. Shouldn't the hedge funds already be under margin calls? Why? Some of them are. The thing is that with margin calls, you can just put up more cash, or as we've seen, they can just be like, no. They can just ghost them and be like, sorry, not paying. But let's see. All right. Let's see here, folks. SPY still trying to come up to that 13. Paris coming up nicely. PSA, be careful on St. Patrick's Day, aka amateur night. Yeah, I won't be doing anything. Thanks for the 1348. Anytime, man. That's what it's there for. GME trying here back up to 81.15. Para. Trying to break above that 13, get a little 1348 cross, MACD cross here. That could be decent. Let's see. SPY just got its 5-minute MACD cross. Let's see what's going to happen with this. You have a box on SPY 421.38 to 417.37. I think it was from you last week. Oh, I deleted one. I think I deleted one. Wait, hold on. Let me. I think I deleted one down. No, this is the other one. This is, I don't know. Let me see. So I've got a couple in here. This is the low one, the 411. I don't know why you'd get one over there. I could look at it. I don't want to have too many boxes up so that it gets confusing and you can't really play the, like, I want the big zones. That's what I want when the big money starts to flicker around. Let's see. 1351 on Amy. Para 3506. Pam, he was joking. He was joking. Oh, wait. I think Pam undid it. You see, you guys got to be careful saying stupid things in the comments that are like a joke, because the mods will come get you if they don't think you're joking. Is Biggie still running? Is it? It's trying. Biggie's trying. I mean, it's down, what's that, 12 cents, 5.61%. Let's see. This is no joke zone. They get you when you super too. Keith, that's just you, pal. That's just you when you super. Let's see. Jeff, I could try to do that. I'm kind of like not great at like technology, so that would be a struggle for me, but we can figure it out. Let's see. SPY flicker in here. Biggie trying to move. Arrow back down. Riptide, thanks for the super, buddy. Love all the regulars in the chat. Cheers. All Counselor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. AMC still selling tickets. Yes, all you need to know. Apes still up. Get dates out of your mind. Counselor, 100%, buddy. None of this March 3rd shit. Wheat looking spicy. Is wheat still coming up? Because I got out for no blood on wheat today. Yeah, no. We were trying to play this. I thought this was going to be a nice continuation here on the wheat news out of Russia, and it just didn't. It fizzled out, which, I mean, I didn't take a loss, didn't gain anything, just burned some stuff with cash. Amy coming back down, looking at new lows of the day over here. Technology is why you get all the AARP and Medicare calls. Easy mistake. I mean, wheat is looking a little spicy right here. TMC is ripping right now. 1348 already crossed. The metals company still going. Yeah, this thing's been a little weird. Watch out though, because look, it's shark fins. It's shark fins hard, so be careful. It was a typo. Oh, okay. We'll see about that one. SPY rejected off that 13 EMA. Let's see what we get over here. Mullen, how's this thing doing? It's trying. It's up 25% today. Not bad. Era chilling. Let me see. We're SPY strangle slightly red. The free paracalls are up 32%. Quad U, what in the hell are you doing? Let's see. What is your average hold time? The head fakes are killing me. You're down the last 2 weeks. I try to not. I've tried to explain this to you guys. I don't enter any trades really unless it looks like it's breaking out to new day highs or new day lows. That is going to eliminate a lot of shark fins. But if you do see a shark fin and you're looking at it on multiple time frames and you buying contracts strategically in the money, at the money, you're not going to get your stop hit. But at the same time, that's why we have the rules of the 20% stop, because you're going to have to take losses. You're going to have to, at some point, take losses on trades. Nobody can be perfect. I mean, Diamond Dog is basically perfect right now, but like that's 1 in a million. Amy new lows over here. So you don't have Amy? What? Thank you for checking your messages. Trust me, it's worth your time. Okay, I will. I will. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. What strike price did you get your GME calls and puts for earnings strangle? I'm curious because we talk about earnings place for that. Shut up, Keith. I'm not playing GME earnings. It's not happening. Sorry. I'm not buying puts on any of these things. I don't want to do it. I know you're joking, but you keep saying that, Emma Kriegs. Amy 1338. You still watching Uncle like Ung? No, I try not to. According to Weeble, Amy hit 1292 today. Yeah, it did. Way the hell down here. This was nonsense. This morning candle was terrifying. Now we're back up. Well, not really, but like a little bit. Para, what you doing here, pal? Chilling. I mute the Joker? No, it's Keith. That's my boy. Don't you mute Keith. Shill's arriving on schedule. Where is he? Where is he? The shills are just silly. Stock down, bad. Stock up, good. That's literally how they sound. All right. Paris still looking good. What time is it? Uh-oh. It's 2:02 p.m. Schedule the margin calls, people. The margin calls are here. Margin call time. I deserve to be muted. Maybe next time, Keith. All right, Paris looking for that 5-minute MACD cross. Let's see if the 1348 is going to do anything. We can break over this 25 MA and start to get these averages turning in the right direction. SPY's not looking like it wants to have any fun, though. Margin call. That movie's now on Netflix now. They put it on Netflix. I remember having to like pay for it. Or maybe I watched it on Peacock. I don't know. But when I wanted to watch it that one time, I watched it, and I was definitely not on Netflix when I was watching it. Well, the entire market is down. Yeah, I mean, people hate when I say that in videos. I'm like, the market's tanking. And they're like, you can't blame it on the market. And I'm like, I can't. That's exactly what's happening, though. Bad stock, bad. Let's get it. What's up, Shimu? How you doing, man? All right, SPY started to move down a little bit. Would have Facebook blown up? Was margin calling Citadel? Dude, Melvin is just. Why did I calling Melvin? Melvin's just struggling here. Look at Affirm again. They own a boatload of Affirm. Look what Affirm's doing today. Poop, 14%. Watched Tindler swindle last night. Yeah, we've talked about that a couple of times. I feel like Rands is the Tinder swindler. Rands? Ben Shapiro does stocks. The market is down today, ahead of Jerome Powell announcing the rate hike of potentially 25 basis points on Wednesday. Once we get that rate hike, things are going to go crazy. You're going to see manipulation, crime, and everything else of the sort. All right, here we go. 1340 on Amy. SPY trying to do its thing over here. Where's Para? Ah, there we go. Everybody's betting on Para's downfall. I'm over here holding the free contracts. What news sources do you trust most? Fast Stock News. Twitter. You guys like that one, huh? Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Let's see. Melvin magically forgot how to trade all of a sudden, or they're just getting attacked, which is possible as well. Spy puts now. I don't know. I got my strangle for Wednesday. I'll be quick with that one. And Shapiro talks about VWAP. The volume weighted average price, also known as VWAP. All right, let's see. You stop trying to mimic my boy. Which one? Dude, it's funny. Come on. Everybody gets made fun of around here. Do you want me to do... If I did a Biden impression, would that make you feel better? Like, come on. Are we really doing this here? Spot on impress. I try, man. All right. Spy's trying to come up to that 13 again. Para's looking good. There's some shorts in this house. Yes. All right. Ready? All right. Let me see if I can do it. Oh, man. I don't know. I got to think. Here. I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. My brain doesn't work that slow. Sorry. That was harsh. I don't know if I can do it. Can you do your full update video tonight in your Shapiro voice? No. Just babble? I can't. I don't know how I would do it. I'm trying to relate it to AMC right now, and I can't think of like a thing to do it. I can do Ben Shapiro because it's like fast talking. Like Biden, I would have to throw in random sentences, and I like don't know if I can do it. Wrench voice only. I can only do the first part of it. All right, Spy, come on. Let's go here, pal. Ooh, Para. Para, free contract up 50%. Bing bong. Let's see here. Can I have my Spy 416s back? They're in the money and I sold too early and want them back now. Thank you. Nah, that's not how it works. I wish it, I do wish it was, but it sometimes doesn't work that way. All right, let's see here. 1339. Para looking good. That Para trade's still fine. I think Spy's going to be a volatile bugger going into Powell. All right. Ready?
What's up?
Wow, that wasn't a good one. Hold on.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Edge Capital.
I was close, man. I was close. That wasn't the best one, but that was decent. All right. Spy, again, trying to come up and touch that 13. Okay. Spy came up and touched this 13 here, didn't make a new low. That's typically a good sign that we could see a reversal or at least a flattening out. If it tests it here and then makes a new low, it's like, all right, well, now we got to go back to the drawing board. But if it tests it here, holds out, I would say we get a little bit of a pop in the close. But we'll see. That was Obama.
Welcome back to Edge Capital.
When is Powell set to talk? Wednesday at 2. You paper handed 5 423 puts. Paper hand. Paper hand. All right. Oh, there we go, Para. Moon mission. Go, girl. SV could never get that much bass in his voice.
Oh, yeah.
I'll double down on RCAT when I see LMT move up. I don't know if it will. One time you did the wrench so good, I thought I clicked the wrong video. Sometimes I get it. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I got it. Sometimes I don't, man. All right. So Spy again coming up to test that 13 EMA over here. Para's looking solid here. I like this. You can only afford 2 gallons of gas. Isn't that like $10? You've been 1348 in it around. Will Ryan Cohen speak more than 5 minutes tonight? GME earnings is on Thursday, I thought. I don't know what you're talking about. Paracross tempting? No, it's not. This is not a tempting cross here. I would not do anything with this. No. This is not a good cross. He also no, I don't think he didn't say that. But the one thing that he said that I was like, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard was Russia is responsible for all the inflation. Russia's probably responsible for 10% of the inflation with oil and like commodities and stuff. Everything else was Powell turning on his printer like it was a kid in a candy store with like a unlimited disposal. He was just like, yup, let's go. And it was like, all right. Mullen ripping. Oh, here comes Para. Para back up. Yeah, Mullen's trying to do a little thing here. We got Spy. See, Spy's actually not doing too bad here. Let's see. If that. Yeah, I know. You made 1348 sound dirty. You've been 1348 in a round. It is dirty. We're just stealing from market makers over here, people. Who do you think you're making money from when you make money on an options trade? The market maker. Ryan Cohen's probably already directly registered his shares. You think they're loading up the 50% fib for another leg down? Yeah, I mean, we thought they were gonna fill the gap and then send it up, but I mean, you need buyers to do that. They're just not here. Are you talking about SPY? We're making money in a sleazy way. Yeah, we're stealing it from market makers because screw them. Stealing from us, we're gonna steal right back from you. Micron? Yeah. Micron, honestly, not selling off as much as it could have today. Pair up moon mission. Let's see. What makes this pair cross no good? Because this right here, look, it barely crossed down. It's crossing back up here a little bit. And look at all this bullshit back here. I think the time to have played it was way back here. This is no longer like, for me, like it's just nonsense over here. Let's see. What do you think will happen during power hour? Oh, I don't know, man. Every time I play 1348, I imagine Melvin Capital not having free coffee in their office. Let's see. Keep in mind, my entire Mullen position will be sold, and I'll buy into AMC Stacy dips. There you go, bud. Yeah, Pear's looking good here. It's free. I like that. I like free. Damn, I should have just waited a little on this SPY strangle. That's fine, whatever. 68% on the free para. Bing bong. Oh, hold on. Quad U's premiums are starting to come up here a little bit. Just DM'd you what I see. It's an pennant. Oh boy. Oh brother. AMC is a dead cat. Says 600 value of death. That's fun. We'll see you at the FOMO rally, pal. Let's see. Aaron, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. We will support you however we can. Aaron, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much for the super. Enter the shill. Yeah. SPY being in a hole. Mullen wanted to run hard. That's trying, man. I mean, watch out for those short exempts that can get dumped on it at any given time. It's trying here. It's trying. We got a shill. I know. I like them. They're fun. They're fun to play with. Threw the last $5 of settle cash I had last week into a single Mullen 250 call for this week. It's up 550%. Damn. Need for speed. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. AMC under 10 a share and the trumpets will blow. Everybody will buy that dip, I think. Since when did STV get a squirrel? I don't have a squirrel, people. I do not have a squirrel. That's just not how it works. I just don't have one. You can think I have one. You can think I don't have one. I don't have one. It's just, no. Let's see here. According to M Theory, AMC is actually both a dead cat and a live one. Well, that doesn't really make a lot of sense. It's Chip. The only animal I have is my giant dog laying on my bed right now, sleeping. He's just huge. What kind of squirrel do I have? He's a giant golden doodle who weighs like 105 pounds. Para, what are we doing here, folks? Oh. He keeps me locked in the closet with TMI's gerbil. AMC Ortex? Oh, what's up, JT? How you doing, buddy? JT, hopefully you're making some decent trades today, bud. 1.38 million net borrow, 1.66% average cost to borrow, 20.73% estimated short interest, about 21 million shares they can use against us right now. It's about what it is. Your golden doodle is bigger than my golden retriever? Dude, he's huge. He's a synthetic squirrel. That's fair. We can call my dog a synthetic squirrel. He's just Matt. He takes up my. I tried to get him on the bed with me to sleep one night, and he's just too big. You're up 600% on Para? JT, how the hell did you do that? You hold it over the weekend, buddy? That's ridiculous. There you go. Yeah, I took mine. So I have a free Para contract that the free one's up like, what is this? 40. What's it up? Oh, 71%. Fire me up. I like that. The free Para's up 71%. Thank you very much. I'll hold that for a little while. My quad U put side is up 42%. I mean, the strangle's still down. I've got my spy strangle that's a little bit down right now just because the puts are losing their premium. But I mean, I'm just kind of looking for these big moves in the spy going into Wednesday. So we'll see what happens with it. You mean average cost to borrow isn't 1.49 still? No, it increased on Friday a little bit to like 1.9, I think. I mean, it's still low, but trending upwards is a good thing to see. All right, watch SPY. If it makes a new low here, that would suck. If it comes up and holds here and still hangs around this 13, that would be good. Para, woo! JT, let's do it, buddy. We need to get our $2 billion back from AA before he steals it all. Jim, if you don't like the CEO, get out of the stock, dude. Like, this is silly at this point. Everybody's hating on AA. His job is not to do. I'm telling you, that corner of my table is looking really tasty to shove just right through my eye. AA is going to do everything he can to make the company better fundamentally. Has he done that or has he not? In my opinion, he has. It's a matter of time. It's going to take a while for this to play out for us to get to these points. If you want dividends, he has to do what he's doing now. He cannot just come out and be like, yup. Like, that's just not how it works. What's he going to do? Start taunting the shorts? Like, what can he do? It's just, it hurts my head. Your eyes don't have taste buds? Damn it, Ben, you're right. 72% on the Para 35. And in the meantime, just make money with the 1348 and buy the dip if you want to. If you don't like it, go to another stock. Why do you have a squirrel? I don't have a squirrel. I don't have a squirrel. Return the $2 billion? No, because then the company's gonna fail, and then you're gonna be out of money. Your whole entire investment's gonna go to zero. You'll get a little bit of money back from that like whatever it is, 1.8 billion that they have, and then the stock will go to zero. What are we talking about here? You have a $32 call, $35 call, and a 37 call. I have the 35s. Your mom got a doodle. He named him Roman. Oh, that's pretty cool. Mine's name is Bodie. Jim, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Let's see here. All right, hold on. We're getting some news. No, but we're getting Disca. Shark fins all over. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Amy, 1342 over here. Let's see what we're going to get. SCV's dog wouldn't allow a squirrel for too long. He would want to just play with it and then accidentally just maim it. He's just too big. New York Post says people are reselling Big Macs for $44 in Russia. Damn, dude. Side hustles are picking back up. First, people were flipping couches. Then they were selling stuff online. Now they're buying Big Macs and shipping it over to Russia. Crazy world we live in, huh? Your golden doodle's named Bogey? Oh, that's pretty cool. Make or break right here. Who will win the fight for the 13 EMA? If SPY doesn't make these new lows, you're good to go. You're good to hold and like, let's see. It's close. 416.12. Watch that. Dude, Para. Oh, man. Everybody that was trying to bet on my downfall with Para, how's that going for you? I'm just kidding. I want you guys to make money. I just told you I was going to hold my Paras. What kind of dog do I have? It's a golden doodle. Facebook boom. See, not making new lows yet on the SPY. GME's kind of trying to come across its 13 over here. Amy's trying to do the same thing. Para looking all right. Supersize those profits. Paracall currently up 40% on TD, waiting for settled funds on Webull. There you go. You took a little profit from Para. I did too. I'm just leaving it for a little bit just to see. That's the strategy. Leave the runners. Everyone's got a doodle, it seems like, these days. I used to have like one of the first ones, and he was giant. His name was Fenway. He was huge. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. $284 minus 6 loss equals $278 on Para. You made $79 on Para. Tim, that a boy, dude. Way to crush it with 1348, man. Thank you so much for the super. You got a freebie? Yeah, my contract's free, so I'll hold it for a little while. You picked up another 3 shares of AMC. Not much, but it's what I can afford. There you go, man. Has Hester tweeted anything awkward recently? I don't think so. Hester, the market, not a hedge fund. You in here, pal? I'm not going to say it, but you guys can. Like Fenway Park? Yeah. Hey. Yes, like Fenway Park, but I might have pooed my pants. It wasn't actually at Fenway Park, though. It was at like a gas station going to it. But then I had to wear like my dad's like tropical bathing suit into this like Yawkey way and like go get sweatpants. There you go, not a hedge fund. There he is. There he is. Hester, the market. Tim, buddy, thank you so much for those supers, man. I really appreciate it. Can I do an AMC or text? Yes, I can. Guys, you guys know you don't have to send supers in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. It really helps out a whole lot. Thank you, guys. Let's see. 1.38 million net borrow, 1.66% average cost to borrow, 20.73% estimated short interest, about 21 million shares that they can use to short. And Para is doing good. I like it. Tim, just throwing the supers out, bud. I appreciate it. Are you talking about sharks again? Yeah. Where's Chan? I don't know. I do miss Chan and Pico. Maybe I banned them. Tim, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Let's see. Dude, Tim, thank you, buddy. I really appreciate that, man. No, it's Bodie. I don't even know how we came up with the name for him. I forget. Shoot. Spy new lows here. There it goes. Amy Candle, Para Holden. Trash. Scammer. Barclays suspends VXX trading. What is going on, bro? Five hours ago. Hold on. Barclays suspends until further notice. Further sales and issuances of 2 series of... Hold on. Daily redemptions at the option will not be affected. I think they're just not saying issuing more. Further sales of inventory. Oh, this thing might rip. This thing might go crazy. Hold on. Levels of supply and demand for such ETNs is possible that the suspension may influence the market value of ETNs. Barclays believes that the above-mentioned limitations on issuance sales may cause an imbalance of supply and demand in the secondary market for ETNs, which may cause ETNs to trade at a premium or a discount in relation to their indicative value. Therefore, any purchase of the ETNs in the secondary market may be at a purchase price significantly different from their indicative value. Dude, do you know what this sounds like? Sounds like this. Sounds like DGAS. This delisted thing. DGAS, I mean, this is trading right here, but let me see if I can pull this up on a longer time frame. This is when they forgot to delist it. They didn't do it. And then it went boom. But they're telling you right here that they're doing it. This is weird. So VXX, and what's the other one? Watch VXX, dude. This thing could get nutty. I mean, with SPY coming down, huh? Sounds like TVIX. Premium went through the roof on VXX. Let me look. It's not that crazy. VXX moves weird, though. It moves weird anyway. VXX is no. There's a different VXX that's delisted. There's two of them. They've delisted one and they have another one. So I mean, SPY's coming down here, but let me see what the strangled at. Dude, Para is still. Oh wait, Para's pumping right here. I think. AP, we're crushing it over here, pal. As per Bloomberg, I said it on TMI Street before. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, watch it. Those premiums are not usually that expensive, though. So they just cut the supply of it, essentially. So what they're saying is that we're not issuing any more shares on it. Does not currently have, because Barclays does not currently have sufficient issuance capacity to support further sales from inventory. So they don't have any more shares. This sounds like wheat. These actions are not the result of the crisis in Ukraine or any issue with the market dynamics and the underlying index components. Barclays expects to reopen sales and issuances of the ETN as soon as it can accommodate additional capacity for further issuances. Well, how often? The first question is, how often do they issue? Let me look. I need VXX. How often are they doing these issuances? That's weird. GME earnings this week? Yeah, Thursday. They took away more supply, so it should go up. Mullen rip. There she goes. That's what it looks like. They ran out of VXX shares. Technically, they can sell as many as they want. They're just choosing not to right now. Yeah, Mullen coming up a little here, up 39% today. SPY at the lows. Supply and demand would indicate that those shares would go through the roof, right? Yes, if people keep buying these. If people keep buying it, it would go. So they're basically saying that they're not going to issue any more shares on it, meaning they're not going to sell any more in their inventory in order to basically facilitate normal market dynamics. It's basically like a market maker saying, sorry, we're not going to take the other side of the trade anymore. That's what it looks like. Prospectus. Here we go. Hold on, I'm pulling it up right now because this is weird. Tim, thanks for the super. My bank just called to see if my supers were fraud. I appreciate that, buddy. Guys, also make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let me see if I can note for this. Okay, effective as the open of trading on March 14th, we'll suspend until further notice any further sales from inventory as a result of the modification pricing. Yeah, I understand, but how often are you doing these issuances? I'm trying to look. Yeah, underlying indices. Yeah, so it's linked to VIX. This is weird. So, here we go. Okay. I'll take a deeper look into that because that's weird. That is very strange. Mullen break 190 over here. Let's see if we can break 2. SPY coming down. Looks like it might make some new lows over here. SPY strangle looking all right. Dude, Para is holding phenomenally right now. 89% on this freebie. Yeah, SPY breaking down. CDC, hold on. CDC moves to retake role as leader on pandemic hospital data. Oh, Christ. That's not going to be ideal. Yeah, GME did break 80. It did it a little bit over here, too. Oh, here comes the Mullen. Oh, is VXX running? Dude, I want it, but I already have the SPY strangle on it. If I knew about the VXX stuff earlier, I would have just strangled VXX. But VXX moves really weird. I've seen days where VXX will tank and I have puts on it and the puts will go down. I wouldn't. VXX is probably not the one that I would go to. Para booming yet? Up to 36? No, close though. Came in late to Para, still up 27%. Attaboy, Keith. There we go. The 1347 on Amy. SPY's trying to come back up to touch this 13 EMA. Watch it touch and make new lows though. Hey, pal. What are you doing over there? 200% on SPY puts. Damn, son. There you go. You got 91 GME under 80. Woo! There you go, man. All right, Amy popping back up to 1350. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. Para, let's see what you're going to do here, pal. Can you take a look at DraftKings? Oh, shoot. We never looked at DraftKings today. Damn. Yeah, no cross here. This kind of looks like a little bit. What are these prices here? 15. Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't have touched that today. No, I know you weren't saying anything about VXX buy or sell. It's just that weird supply and demand imbalance could do something weird. GME puts are printing. Oh, that's funny, Samurai. Are you like the dude that gets like a 95 on a test and then asks everybody else what they got too, just to make yourself feel better about yourself? Because you know a lot of people probably didn't do as good as you. Is that how you, that's probably what you are like? Hey, what'd you get on your test? Hey, I got a 95. What'd you get? What'd you get on your test? That's how you sound right now. All right. Amy popping back up to that 13. Let's see. I'm glad I can provide some comedic relief with the shills today. Oh, Para, there we go. That sounded like Michael Scott. That's literally what people sound like when they come in here and they're like, I'm getting puts on AMC or GME. It's like, nobody cares. All right, guys. Make sure, bro, what are you doing over here? You're going to knock my TV over. Just stop. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Are these para contracts up 100% yet? They should be. I'm hoping. 96, 97%. Oh, we're close. Don't miss Moderna right now. I would like to just have it go down. I don't really like Moderna. You sound like that kid on Polar Express. That's exactly what the point was there. That's exactly what I was trying to sound like. Well, actually, shut up. Did you just call your dog bro? Yeah, I call him a lot of names. I call him a lot of names. All right, Amy 1352. Para looking all right over here. You're up 180% on Microvision put. I blame STV for today's price action. This is a direct result for him not seeing Frozen. Make that money. There we go, Pam. Let's see here. Man Dark? What's that? All right, Para. Let's go, pal. Why is AMC on a discount today? Not really. They're just shorting the shit out of it. Nickel guy makes a deal with the banks to avoid a margin call. That slimy. Those slimy motherfuckers. IRNT's booming. I can't believe that. Oh, IRNT spiking here. Shut up, Ben. Oh, we do have the ankles. I knew we had ankles in here somewhere. So I guess getting 1K into Mullen at 6-4 wasn't a bad idea. No, definitely not a bad idea. Spy trying to move here. I'm just saying be careful. If you want to buy puts on like AMC or GME once the stock runs up to like high to like give yourself a price floor, that's different. IRNT starting to make a nice little move here. Para. On. I didn't live. Cool, we're not watching it. Quad U is coming up. No, Quad U, don't you do this to me. Don't. Nope. We need you down. You sound like the kid from Polar Express. Oh, and I talk like that? Yeah, that's exactly how the shills come in here and sound in my head. That every single time. Come on. No short crusher. We're not doing it. That people can't handle it. Let's see. Jimmy back under 80. What a bot. Dude, it's making new lows right here. This is insane. This is insanity. Boeing moving. Maybe that's off Biden. Not really. It's getting a little jump here. Nothing crazy though. Spy just tried to flicker above that 13 EMA. Will you be streaming Fed's meeting? Man, that hurts my brain. But I will be streaming, pal. Careful at 3610 on psychological resistance level and RSI overbought. Right. Yeah, that's fine. I'm holding it until tomorrow at least, just because it's free. That's kind of the new strategy now. It's like take the free contracts, make a little bit of money, and see what happens if you hold the runners. Let's see. Brandon's calling for margin calls at 239. All right. Oh, it's by Para. QS Ortex. What's that? Quantum something? Scope. Quantum scape. 100% utilization, 1.61% average cost borrow, 19.68% estimated short interest. And they got like 8 million shares to use against it. Charge point got hammered. Damn, we gotta hit charge point too. Is there a cross on it? No. A lot of things, I mean, sort of at open, but I mean, this looks like Neo. He's actually saying good things and good news. Good. Market up. Let's go. Let's go, team. Let's see. Remember that one time I tried to say 10 base hits is 2.5 home runs and you had a stroke? Good times? Yeah. It just didn't. Well, I know that is. I just it didn't click in my head at all. 1357 on Amy over here. GME Ortex? Yeah, we can take a look at it really quickly. Aim. Stop. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, all you new folks in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot over here. Thank you so much to you guys who are supporting the channel as always. Help supporting me and help supporting the content. I really appreciate it. Let me see here. Utilization 100%, 3.55% average cost borrowed, 19.5% estimated short interest, and they've got like 6 million shares to use against it over here. Show GME some love. I mean, it's that. I mean, I'm not hating on it. Charge point. Yeah, I missed your comment. I'm sorry, Snow Bro. I'm sorry. What'd you say? No, I didn't. That's so long ago. I don't see a comment from you, Snow Bro. I think you're capping. I think you're lying to me. Show AMC some love. It's getting loved right now. It's trying here. X heading towards a cross and moving towards that 200 DMA. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. All right, hold on. We got news. All right, let's see. How hard would it be to have alerts set up there? The 3-minute STC signals seem to be bangers. No, we got 920. We have 1348. So if you guys do want to learn that strategy that we're using with 1348, we literally teach you the strategy and give you literally, like, have you ever seen the movie Eagle Eye? Have you seen the movie Eagle Eye? It's like this AI that just basically tracks the entire world. And that's essentially what we give you for all of the crossovers. You can see basically every single stock that people trade with crossovers happening. And any single time a stock makes a big move, there will be a 1348 cross somewhere in there. So once you learn the strategy, you figure out how to use the alert system with 920, with 1348, with the 3-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 4-hour, daily, crypto as well. You're good to go, man. The link to that's in the top of the chat over here. So make sure you guys check that out if you are interested. Let's see. And for those of you guys who like have a day job and can only listen and can't really like focus in on that, we're coming up with a lower tier for you guys for premium because we are going to be cutting off that live chat, or not the live chat, the free chat. So that'll be lower priced every single month, and you're not going to get access to the live streams, but you will get some alerts on some of the 5-minute alerts and 4-hour and daily alerts. 1348 is what I use. These guys know what they're talking about. I ran out of settled cash. Tim, you crushed it today, buddy. There you go. All right, SPY rejecting off that 13 again. Look at UVXY. It's pumping, I bet. Pump, 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 pump. Yeah, UVXY is just ripping. What are you doing over there, bro? Are you just chilling? Okay, cool. Yeah, boom, boom, bing, bong. Yeah, you got to use the STC as well. I use the STC more of an indication to get out. That's kind of what I use it for. Like the 3-minute, sometimes the 5-minute. 5-minute STC will keep you in for a little bit longer. So the lower team is still the no. The lower tier, you're only going to get like the 4-hour alerts, the daily alerts, and a couple of stocks on the 5-minute. That's it. So you don't get the 3-minute, the 15-minute, the crypto alerts, the live streams. You don't get any of that. It's just like, it's basically training wheels. You're full of great tips today, STV. I appreciate that. Fee rhymes with AMC. Yeah, GME is getting smoked. UVXY coming up. Let's see. How's this going over here? 92% on Para. SPY strangles down a little bit. The quad U put sides up 31%. Not bad. You want them all alerts? Well, then get into the premium then. Did Para pop up on the alerts earlier? Yeah, it should have. Let's pull it up on the 3-minute. Oops, that's the wrong one. Actually, since it got a ticker change, I don't know if the system caught it, but you did get a 3-minute crossover right here. So you would have gotten alerted right here in the Discord. It's at 33.15, and it runs all the way up to a high of 36.47. Textbook 13.48. The only reason why I'm holding this is because I already made the money on it. So it's a freebie. I'm trying to get free contracts in here. Stop ignoring you. What's wrong? Why is AMC tanking? The market sucks. That's why. That's why. When the market goes down and there's a lot of weakness in the overall market, AMC is not just going to be like, these days, it's not just going to be like, whatever, I'm going up. Like, that's just not how it works these days. Like a books with text in it. Yeah, I don't really use a lot of those these days, but, you know. What is 1348? Gorgankle. Join the free part of the Discord. Watch those videos. Learn the strategy. I'll have a video out for you guys soon on it. It's just the strategy that we use to trade. And everybody's crushing it with it. Not for Mullen? Well, yeah, not for Mullen. Mullen's a little different right now. Or crime. Crime is pushing it down. That's fair too. Let's see. GME 52-week low. Yeah, 79. It hit it. 52-week low right here. 79. Hit it today. How much were those textbooks that you do not use? I don't know. I didn't buy them. Not that somebody else bought them. I literally just didn't buy them. RCAT. People were saying that that's like Lockheed. What is this? Red Cat Holdings up 52%. What's Lockheed doing? Nothing. Lockheed's doing shit. Remember all those people that wished for a crash so AMC could run? How's that working out? I literally was saying it. If we see the market crash, AMC's gonna come down really hard until it might come back up. Like it's like it's close. It's like you don't really want that. So synthetic textbooks, if they're like ebooks, I have some ebooks. Para wants 36. I would have to agree with that. I think we get a close above 36 unless the market just goes. Spy Strangle down like not a lot. In terms of the overall position, I bet this is down 2%. 97% on the Para freebie. Ooh, Quad U looks like it might come back a little bit here. We just aren't defending this range right now. Shorts will take advantage of it and drop us lower. If we don't defend the next drop, they will do the same again. Exactly. I'd say SPY is curling. Yeah, I mean, it's got this. What's it look like on the 30? Shit. What's it look like on the 10-minute? 10-minute might cross here. If the 10-minute crosses, you could see it start to go. Because the 5 is already crossed, but it hasn't really done anything. It's just like hit, new low. VXX new day high. Damn. Let's see. All right. Shills are beta, buyers are alpha. Yeah. Yeah, GME is getting slaughtered right now. Oh, wow. 15%. Wow. Really? That's necessary right here? That's what's going on here. There's just like what? It's crazy. This is craziness. Look at VXX monthly. What do you mean? The monthly chart, the monthly expiration date? What monthly what, Kelby? AMC 1353. Let's see. Biden says gas prices have nothing to do with American rescue plans, but to do with Putin. That's fair. Okay, I could see that. Why is my Twitter glitching out? There it is. GME earnings on Thursday. Yep. Monthly chart. Gotcha. I mean, 5-minute MACD cross. I mean, monthly MACD cross. When was the last time it did this? Oh. Shit. Well, that doesn't look promising. What's Mullen doing? Let's take a look. Mulling around. 38% came up. Little shark fin bouncing off that 13 EMA on the 5-minute. Yeah. Oh, I see it now. Is Thinkorswim good? Yes. Very good. Very solid. Pharaoh, where's this on the 30-minute? Yeah, dude, look at this. Bounce right off that 30-minute 13 EMA. Is that Weeble or TradingView on your chart? This is Weeble. We did the Ortex, but it's not really relevant right now. Amy's like 20.7% estimated short interest. GME's like, I think it's like 19.8 or something. SPY going down. We're yelling timber. It's starting, man. I mean, if it keeps rejecting off this 13 and then comes back down, it's going to continue to make new lows throughout the day. Paris holding really strong, though. Not sure who would be selling AMC at this point. Makes no sense. I don't understand. Okay. I understand that people are worried because they see the money in their account and they're getting emotional. But at the same time, the shorts are doing everything that we've expected them to do. And the market is having an absolute disaster. Like if you're holding anything right now, Affirm, ChargePoint, Neo, like literally everything is coming down super hard. It's not like AMC is any different right now. Like, yes, it's different in terms of the potential that the play has, but everything has been getting slapped. Let's see. If GME responds positively after earnings, I hope AMC will pop as well. It most likely will. All right, let me see what we got for news over here. Let's see. 95% on Para. Let's see here. Rhode Island, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Can I get ride? Yes, I can. Lord's, oh, slapped, man. This thing is getting pummeled. Look at this. Look at this thing. Where was this? Where is this? 8, 15, 31. Like, damn, man. This thing is getting rocked. I would not touch this thing. Until this shows signs of coming back up here, I would not touch this on ride. This thing just looks dirty to the downside. If I heard about Citadel and Putin, I have not. I have not. You're up 7K and counting on Mullen on my FOMO from last week buy at 115. There you go. Get the U.S. back to 13 million barrels a week production like the start of 2020 and see where oil goes. Where are we at now? Right into the ground? Yeah, man. It's getting rough out here. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind also, I know it's a tough day, but if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm stuff. Thank you guys so much to those of you guys who are doing that today. I really, really appreciate that. Where's Para? Yeah, and hopefully you guys got some good plays today. We hit some good ones. I mean, the Para was the play of the day. GME is still selling here. Holy shit. This has the potential to finish down 20% on the day. That's ridiculous. This the end of AMC and GME. Austin! Why? Make your argument. Why? What is your argument besides the price is going down? What is it? What's your argument besides the price is going down that says that these stocks are going to go fucking bankrupt and die? What is it? What's the argument? Oh my God. I got to stop getting so spicy on the live streams. Like I really do, but it just breaks my head, man. It hurts because we've put so much time and research into this that like, it just doesn't seem that it's just getting to people. That the people are just not seeing it. They're not getting me. It's just like, make an argument. You ask it every day. Look at hair. Bradley, I just need a haircut, buddy. Don't worry. I just need a haircut. My hair gets like this when it gets long. Don't worry. I'm fine. No, Austin's been in this for a while. Like Austin's been in this for a very long time. You're right. I'm going to sell. All right, let's see here. Paris coming back up. SPY's trying to get above this 13. Let's see what happens here at this. 416.73. I feel Austin's pain. I get it. You can feel the pain. Like it sucks. Like you can definitely feel the pain. It's not like we're sitting here like happy that AMC is down like this. Like that's not it at all. It sucks. It's not fun. Like AMC now is less than my Chipotle order, which I never thought I was gonna see this again. But what's actually going on here? Is the market reflecting all available information about these stocks? Are you seeing the short interest down? Are you seeing the companies basically struggle? No. Okay. Is the market completely freaking out and having temper tantrums because of craziness going on in the global economic environment? Yes. Okay. Cool. We'll wait. STV's airline, don't stress, but look at GME on the weekly and the 200 EMA to find the next support. That's a little bit broad. Oh, it's right here. You think it's like right around here? It could be. Where's Amy's? It's below it. So no, I wouldn't really say that. Amy's trying to pop back up here. I got to be more calm when I go to talk to these people. I can't lose my mind all the time, even though I have to answer it all day long. Let's see. Max Payne's still 20? Yeah, it'll change tomorrow if it's going to change at all. Because you'll see the open interest start to filter in tomorrow from today's action. It'll probably drop. GME wrong way, bro. Yeah, it is going the wrong way. Let's see. SPY bounced up above that the 25 MA now and the 13 EMA. That doesn't look bad. Paris trying to come back up here a little bit as well. Let's see. Keith, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. I get Austin's angst, but when most people act like he does, it reminds me of Bill Paxton's character Hudson from Aliens when he keeps saying, "That's it, man. Game over, game over." I've never seen that movie, but I didn't realize my phone was plugged in. Oh God. All right. New U.S. State Department says that if external factors make JCPOA reimplementation impossible, the U.S. would be open to diplomatic alternatives. All right. I'm not really sure what that means. Let's see. Remember when the Fed, it's not the Feds. Remember when the Fed had a private meeting? The Fed is not talking about this. Little bit, but like not they can't do anything. They're in charge of policy. They can't what is their policy doing to change a lot? It's not really doing anything. Spy's trying here. Amy 1351. How the hell have you not seen Aliens, dude? I'm 22. Wasn't that like in the 80s or the 90s? The nothing's changed argument is a bad one. Well, actually, things have gotten better. AMC needs profitability. They're getting there, Rusty. They're getting there. It just takes time for those things to happen. You can't just do it in one quarter coming off the pandemic. They got a lot of cash. They're acquiring new theaters. They have new business ventures that they're getting into. It looks good this year. We need you to rub your crystal ball. Yeah. Aliens is a top 5 movie of all time. Isn't that when the thing comes out of the dude's stomach? Isn't that what it is? It's like, I feel like that's what it is, right? Let's see. Aliens came out in 1979. Keith, come on, bro. I wasn't even, that was 19 years. No, that was 20 years before I was born. That's crazy. All right. Para coming down to test that 13 again. SPY flickering around a little bit here. Let's see. GME is still getting sparked over here. Let's see. Ape Father came after Review Door. Ape Father is like a gnat. It might be a little annoying sometimes, but it's really not going to do a whole lot. And they're pretty irrelevant to how you live your life. We do not need to troll SCV. He trolls himself. I do all the time. Prometheus is not great. I think I've seen Prometheus. It's pretty decent. SPY trying here. That's a huge gnat. All right. Dude, he made a video of me, I think, that was when I was, like, against the protests, and I was like, "It's a stupid idea." Like, if you have an idea that's stupid, I'm gonna say it's a stupid idea. I bet he's a hilarious dude to hang out with. I bet he's hilarious. Like, if you just go out and hang out with the dude, I bet he's awesome. But, like, when you just start spewing nonsense on the internet, like, I'm not just gonna be like, "Oh, yeah, cool." No, that's not how this works. Keith, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Aliens came out in 1979. Aliens came out in 1986, and they are seminal pop culture films. Grr, now I feel ancient, like a fossil. I know what it is. I've just never seen it. Let's see here. $200% on 10 SPY puts. Got out at 416. Love me some 1348. Brian, there we go, my man. Making some bread today on the market coming down. Atta boy. You see GME puts at 70. What does that mean? When Vix gets mad, he sounds like Ben Shapiro. I need a Snickers, bro. All right, let's see what we're going to get over here. Mullen, how's Mullen doing? Are they just mulling around over here again? See, I made that joke once, and now I can't stop making it. 5-minute MACD about to cross down. Did the 10-minute on the SPY cross? Yep. Did the 15? It's close. Let's leave this 15-minute up on the SPY and see what happens here. Just got a forced liquidation notice. What does it mean? It means you crushed it. Essentially, that's what it means. It means you did really, really good. You have contracts in the money and your broker's like, hey, you don't have enough cash to exercise all of these contracts that are in the money that we're going to liquidate you. If you're on Webull, it's at 348. So be careful. No, I haven't seen any of the Alien movies. I've seen Prometheus. Isn't Prometheus like the new Aliens, but like not really? Para, how's this looking? Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for this. Para looking good. I'm waiting for this 15-minute MACD cross. I think SPY could actually get a little bit spicy into the end of the day. Let's see, folks. Dow is green. That's crazy. Prometheus is a prequel. Oh, that's cool. It's an here comes the SPY. All right, so this is the 15-minute time frame right here. If it comes up and breaks this 13 EMA and gets this, it'll probably, if it hangs around here, the next 15-minute candle. So in 13 minutes, you'll get a MACD cross, which honestly could be decent going into the end of the day for SPY. Like button to you people. I appreciate that, Tim. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. I appreciate all your support, guys. I really do. This is crazy. I never thought I'd be in front of all these people talking about stocks all the time. It's really interesting. Charge Point. What's up with Charge Point? Let's see. Yeah, it's bouncing a little. Biggie. Biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the stocks just flicker around. It's down 5 cents, 6 cents now. About 2%. Any thoughts on NEO for the rest of the week? Depends on what happens with China in the market, but I would say down. Alien was Ridley Scott before he got senile, and Aliens was James Cameron. Ridley Scott is senile? That's interesting. GME little pop here. Let's see. SPY. Where's the strangle at? A little red. Strangle's down probably like 9% here. I support STV airplane mode. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Your update videos still sound like you're in an infomercial. It makes me laugh every time. It just doesn't sound like you. Dude, I know. I don't know why I do that. I can't stop it. Yeah, so the SPY on the bottom left over here is on the 15-minute time frame. That might be, if it looks like it's moving a little slower, that's why. I'm just kind of looking for this 15-minute MACD cross to just kind of see what happens with it. I think it could cross. Vix, do the voice. Stock down, bad. Stock up, good. I went to high school with the little blonde girl in Aliens. Oh, that's cool. What's up, guys? What's going on, guys? All right, let's see. Spy's trying to break this 13 EMA over here on the 15-minute. Short on class, long on MOAS. Yep. The mic kills the vid quality. Yeah, because it's my phone. Yeah, I know. It's my phone. I should just record videos like this. Like I should. I just don't know how. I know we got to up the video quality a little bit on the videos. I got to put myself in them, I think. All right, Spy coming back down here. Let's see. What you're using now is great. Yeah, this is my mic. I have a mic. I don't know, man. I don't know. Every time you do that voice, I feel like I should give you bananas. Yeah. You sound like young Sham. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I just thought of a really, really funny video. I can't say the title of it, but it has to do with ShamWow, and it's a voiceover. Have you ever seen those? There's ShamWow, there's an OxyClean one, and there's a Magic School Bus one. I'm not going to say what they're called, but it's the funniest videos of all time, and I haven't seen them in forever. Do you guys remember those videos on the internet? They get me every single time. Do you know what I'm talking about? The ShamWow one where like they voice over it. Oh, yep. Millie knows. I think Millie, those are the funniest things I've ever seen. There's that one. You watch one with Trey on Twitch? Dude, they are so funny. No, I don't think that's what it is. There's one where he talks about like dinosaur pee and like I'm just, and then there's like the truck and the dude. I don't know. They're really funny though. No, but I've seen Alien like every other human alive. All right. I don't think they're Jamaican accents. No, but it's, dude, they get me every time. There's no shake weight one. The slap shot one. I don't think that's what, I think we're talking about different things. If I ever go on Twitch and we like really mess around at night, which I don't think will ever happen, but I'll play them for you, and it's really funny. Like there's a Magic School Bus one, there's an OxyClean one, and there's a ShamWow one. You guys got to know what I'm talking about here. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. All right, 1355. Paris still looking good. We got about 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens with it. Made 331% on SPY puts today. There you go. I don't think that's who it is. I'm going to look it up over here because I know the title of it. I just cannot say it, and I cannot type it on the screen. Found it. Nope, it's okay. I'm not going to say who it's by, but you guys haven't gotten it because then you're going to figure it out. And if you haven't seen it already, then we're not doing it. I got to get out of this. I don't want to accidentally click on it and play it because I will get demonetized like that. YouTube will delete my channel. Oh, the count is funny. The count is really funny. Where they bleep out every single time he says count. That is a funny video. Let me in. Are you here? Oh, sorry, buddy.
Got shorted on the way in.
I didn't hear it.
I know. But the doo-doo.
Yeah, I never saw it.
I was dying laughing from the combo though.
I don't know how to present the names on this, but TMI's name is funny every single time.
I know. I think I left it here from the last time. I was gonna change it, and I was just like, nah, let it be. Let it be.
How the trade's going today, buddy?
Today's a good day.
Today's
a good day.
I was very responsible today. 13% on AAL. Took the Neo loss really quick.
Hey, there we go.
On Para.
Yeah, what?
Free contract on Para, ready to go. Already made some money on it.
Did you say Para?
Yeah, Paramount. It's like
Oh,
Viacom. They switched the
Paramount.
ticker.
Oh, I thought you meant like a different kind of Mara. I was just like, what is this
Oh,
new
no,
Bitcoin
no.
stock called? What is this Para? Oh my goodness, dude. Today was one of those days where you couldn't miss. I was literally just trading up until I just came on now. I was just like, okay, I'm just not gonna stop trading. Keep going until you miss. And then I missed. And then I was like, okay, I'm done.
Yeah, I
missed-
have some other plays out there that I was just like, I had a little bit less settled cash to work with, and I just like went through the settled cash, and I was like, all right, how much I make today? I was like, oh, great.
If you go through sell cash and you're up, punch in your clock and go to work.
Yeah,
Just
I got a
made
spy
200
strangle
shares.
for Wednesday.
Oh, I got some. I did something that I haven't done in a long time, which is I got some calls for GME
That's not a bad idea.
on this dip. I got it. Yeah, I got it about 50 cents lower than we are right now. Like that's the last trade that I made. It went red for a little bit. It went red by 25 bucks. I was like, okay, that's the first. Like I was trading green. The first kickback I got was that. I was like, all right, I'll just leave it. See what happens till tomorrow.
I have my tiny little AMC call position for this week to see if it's gonna bounce.
Oh, interesting. Okay,
Yeah, I
all
got
right,
a
so
little
them
bit
covered.
of it Friday.
Hey, look, if it's March 3rd this week, then hey, we're sitting pretty.
I forgot about that. I forgot it was March 3rd.
It's March 3rd this week. I know.
Damn.
It's different. Pair of nuts.
Dude.
What's going on, Rhode Island?
Dude, I was just talking about these videos. Somebody brought up like ShamWow. Have you ever seen the ShamWow videos? Or like there's an OxyClean one, a ShamWow one, and Magic School Bus one where they voice over it.
Yeah.
Dude, those are so funny.
They're freaking nuts. They are so hilarious. Dude, if we can get I haven't seen those videos in a minute. They're freaking hilarious though. If we can get a little bit of a bounce.
They're so funny.
I'm just trying to figure, is the market's gonna bounce? It's gonna have to wait till tomorrow or Wednesday.
Yeah, I've got the SPY on the 15-minute over here because it crossed the MACD was crossing on the 5, then the 10. I'm looking for it on the 15. I mean, it got this gap fill from that massive gap up day. That's what I thought. I thought they were just gonna fill it and let it go, and the buyers haven't stepped up yet.
Dude, yeah. Okay. What was your play today?
The best one?
Plays? Yeah.
Para,
really?
Yeah. They were up over 100% at one point, but I made it free at like 40, 45.
I got to type in Para. Let me see what they did today.
I thought Neo was going to be really good. It ended
Paramount
up being
Global?
pretty good. But, ooh, it's coming up again. I think they're up 100% now.
10% run today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, the freebie's up 101% right now. I'll hold that for a while.
That makes sense.
Let's see. Yeah, 3 minutes left on this 15-minute SPY candle. The MACD might cross here.
Am I blocking it?
No, you're good.
Where is it?
It's bottom
it's on the
left.
left. My bad. Okay.
Yeah, it's on the left.
Hey, yeah, it's good. It could. I would love that. I was sitting on SPY calls, Tesla calls for a bit too long, and then they were just flickering back and forth. They turned green for like 10%. I just took it and said I forget it. So now I'm waiting to see if at the end of the day Tesla can go on a bit of a run here. It's been doing this back and forth, kind of like how SPY is doing right now.
Yeah, I think
it's waiting.
Amy pop.
Crack.
Dude, this morning drop. I was just sitting here like, hey, stop.
Did it get chilly? It got a little chilly.
Oh, dude, we've been having them all day over here. We got my XDeath, or what's his name? It's not X, no, 600 Valley of Death. XDeath 0 is not a show. It's 600 Valley of Death. He always comes in here. Loves Mullen, hates AMC.
No, did not see that guy. Who did I see? I saw Tabasco. I think no, it was Tampa Kurt.
Okay, I don't get him, I don't think.
Yeah, he was a member too. I blocked him and I was like, okay, I'm gonna unblock you. I'm gonna block you for the rest of the stream. I'm gonna unblock you. But I'm like, what the heck is going on here?
I think
Phil was a shill. Phil's not a shill. Actually, I don't know how many Phils there are though.
There are a lot of Phils.
Yeah. I can't act like I know every single Phil out there.
Late night.
I got smacked out of here for joking around.
Oh, that's because he said like AMC's a dead, and then like right below it in another message he was like said no ape ever, but there was a delay and the mods just got him for the first one.
That's hilarious.
Walmart, Ben, is Walmart still ripping? Dude, I had Walmart calls a little bit this morning and just darn. That would have been a nice one if I held it. I'm quick now. I'm starting to get the tight stop, and just
Dude, honestly, yeah, 1.53% losses. That's it.
oh, I'm going with like 10.
Dude, if it doesn't go in your direction right away, just okay. Well, not financial advice to anybody else who's listening out there. Like, it depends. It depends, right? To me, it's one of those things now where I'm like, okay, if you can go quick, and there's a few different options there. If it doesn't go in my direction, 1.5 to 3%, I'm getting the freak out. It's too late. Like literally 2 minutes, forget it. On to the next one. Play something else.
Yeah, I'm playing contracts in multiples of 4. So my dog is making noise.
Your dog.
He's just laying. No, I swear he's laying on my bed.
That is crazy disrespectful. I cannot believe you just said that.
He's right here, bro. I picked him up yesterday.
Goodness.
I gotta do
hey,
something.
You guys heard that, right?
What?
You guys heard that, right? Wait, no. What did you say? You're playing your contracts
in multiples of 4. Because if you get something that goes up 40%, you can sell 3 of them, make 5% on the trade, have a free contract.
Okay. I know what you mean.
So I did that with Para today. And in AAL, I just took the whole thing at like 13%. I was like, thank you.
AAL? Yeah.
AAL was getting spicy.
You know what, though? Honestly, I didn't hit anything today that was over 30%. It was just several plays. It was just like
you just keep stacking them.
It was just just keep hitting that. I was just getting reps today.
Yeah.
It was a good rep day. The only thing that threw me off today, honestly, was the first. I didn't trade for the first 30 minutes of the day. I think I didn't trade till after 10 o'clock.
If I waited on the Neos and the Walmarts to do that, I would have had a much better day. But it was still a solid day.
Yeah, but I was looking at the market and I was just like, what the fuck, man? I was like,
it was being weird.
You could take chances. Obviously, you could take chances, right? But I was just looking. I was just like, I didn't feel. I was just looking. I was just like, what? Give me something.
Yeah. It wasn't. It was a little. It was pretty head fakey in the morning. I was just sitting here like, what? I was just like shuffling through tickers. Like, what is this?
I know. Like, what's going on here? Oh, Tesla just got a little bit of a bounce there.
Yeah, SPY's coming up a little bit. Hey, so
there we go. Come on.
I don't have a strangle.
The contracts are green. The contracts are green. Let's go, GME. Let's go, GME.
Oh, GME's coming back. Oh, there it goes. Whoa, little rally. There we go.
Okay, now the contracts are up 20%, and we are having a freaking ball. Okay, these can go up. These can go up a decent amount today. What's the height today?
100 something, right? Or no? 93.
So these calls are for $90 for next Friday.
Oh, you're good to go.
So I'm just gonna sit. I'm like, if we can have a nice recovery here just for later on. Oh my goodness, come on, baby. Oh, the bid-ask spread is huge, though. I can't tell.
I bet they are. It's going to be a little bit less liquid on GME.
Yeah, it's like, is it up like 9% or is it up like 20?
Well, you could steal it. You could steal it.
Yeah, it's true. I could.
SPY rejected at the 30-minute 13 EMA again, or the 15-minute one.
This is weird.
Para looking to break that. Alerts going nuts in the Discord. I bet they are with this little pop up here. Is T doing its thing? T is just Shark Week. Yeah, no, I wouldn't touch this.
Slap the effing ask. No, I'm not. These aren't shares, people. These are options. I'm not. Slap the ask. I bought shares for AMC today. My duty has been served. I'm trying to get myself some freaking call options so I can afford to go to freaking what's it called? Oh, I shouldn't say anything inappropriate on the stream. Never mind. So I can go out Friday night and have some fun. Which means just go to a restaurant.
Oh, yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? Is there going to be dancing?
Oh, there's going to be dancing. There's gonna be dancing.
Dancing's fun. I like to
I'm
dance.
going to I'm going to a play.
Oh, that's awesome.
A play. Yes. A play, and in this play, there's going to be Shannon Gregory. Oh my goodness.
Oh no, that's because I was telling a story last week about how when I was like 14 years old working as a caddy, I would show up at like 6:30 in the morning and there would be people in there like in the caddy tent at this nice golf course, literally smoking crack.
That's how you play golf. I thought that's just how you play golf.
Getting turned,
They're just like,
smoking
well,
literal crack.
we're gonna be out here, so might as well just go for it.
I guess so.
Oh my goodness. When invite team? Oh no! I'm going to a play. Listen. I'm going to a play, and it's a fundraiser
Is
play.
it the Nutcracker?
Yeah, it's a fundraiser play for people who want to raise money for their college funds.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Most of the people that want to raise money for college funds might be of the female.
College. Oh, I just got it.
Yeah.
I got it now. I understand now.
It's a family show, so you have to be careful. It's make sure you paint
Hopefully
between the lines.
It's not a family show, bro.
It's a family show. You have to make sure you have to give back to the community, you know?
Yeah, you got to give back in whatever way you can.
Yeah, I mean, you can hand out money or you can throw it. I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as it's leaving one hand to go to the other. The funny thing is, guys, I'm actually not even going to do anything on Friday night. This is all just made up. I will literally be on stream.
I'm probably just going to be sleeping again. Oh, 1367 on Amy. Let's see. GME. Ooh. Come on, Spy. Let's go.
This is good days.
Perry needs to break that 36 and just bloop. What's the chain look like?
If we can I might get a Tesla call too.
I've got my Spy Strangle for Wednesday. I think that could be spicy.
Oh, and that paid today. The Tesla Strangle today.
I bet
I sold it. I sold the put. The put was up 100%. Like 80 to 90%. Oh, so I guess that was from Friday though. I didn't make it today. The calls were actually at a loss though, but they weren't at that much of a loss. It was like a 20% loss.
The premium held?
No, the premium for the calls dipped. Like I sold the calls for a loss, but the puts were up big.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, so it's okay. I just need this 81. There we go. It just broke.
It's sitting volatile over here on Jimmy. That's a $4 move. That's not small.
I know. I'm looking at this like it was down 14%. I was looking at it. I actually went to the wash when I came back, and I was just like, is this thing dipping still? Down 12%. Went to the bathroom, came back, down 14%. I'm like, what the? Oh, now it's just coming back up pretty. Come on. But
yeah, Amy's coming up a little here too. Oh yeah, Jimmy could get to 82 real quick.
I would not mind that. Team, I'm about to put some pink cheese on college.
Penny stocks?
People, it was a joke. There's no way I would go anywhere where there's dancing and polls and actually, STV, what are you doing on Friday?
Probably nothing, but that sounded a lot like a frat basement around here, just like unfinished. There's just poles over.
Just a bunch of I will get to it when the time comes.
It's spring break this week. I'm on break, even though I'm technically always on break.
So you know what that means?
What does it mean?
It means you can go out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week.
Yeah, but there's nobody here. Plus, I don't like going out around here anyway.
We know where you could go.
Casino.
And then after you win money, you know where you could go. To the golf club.
Yes, exactly. Oh,
come on, GB. There we go. All right. We're going to take a 40% win with this today. I'm confident now. This is going to be a 40% bagger, and then we're going to be out. And then we'll slap the crack. Okay, Shannon? That's what we'll do.
Oh, dude. Para's just hunting that 36. It wants it. It's so close. Oh, Amy coming up here. 1374. Here we go.
I love it. All right, buddy. I'm going to hop out of this.
All right, later, buddy. Thanks for popping on.
You guys enjoy. Don't forget, guys, smash the like. It means STV is going to class. No class. No class. He goes to class enough as it is.
Exactly,
Kind
which
of.
is never.
All right, guys. Deuces.
Later. All right, guys, you heard the man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Letting this para runner run do its thing over here. So SPY is trying to get above this 13 EMA on the 15-minute. We're about to get that cross on the 15-minute MACD, which could signal a little bit of a power hour run. I mean, we're doing a little power hour run right here. It's how much time do we got left? 36 minutes left in the day here. Para's looking all right. Amy's trying to make a little bit of a move back up. I mean, we are down 4%, 57 cents. It's very possible that we make up that loss today. But at the same time, I mean, we got some ways to go here. So, did someone say caddy tent? Yeah. Yeah. Amazon and Google are looking really juicy before the stock splits. It's just going to be so expensive, Ryan, for the premium. Like, you can buy shares of it if you want to. They're just going to be really, really expensive. And typically the stocks are going to move the most right after the announcement. So careful. Mullen trying. Let's see. Mullen. Yeah. Ooh, 195. Trying to get back above 2. That could get interesting over here. Pentagon says the U.S. has multiple routes to get security assistance to Ukraine. Base attacked by Russia was not one of them. Interesting. So 107% on these paramounts. Not bad. The quad U is kind of just doing its thing over here. 600 Valley of Death. Bro, were you in here before? This is what you sound like. Ready? Hey, what'd you get on your test? I got a 97. Hey, guys. I got a 97 on my test. What'd you get? What'd you get on your test? Huh? That's what you sound like. You're talking about buying like one share of each. Okay, that's fair. You think SPY is headed to 416 power hour tomorrow? Well, that's not very far away. Oh, hold on. More news coming in, I think. White House says not in a position to confirm any intelligence on China. Of course they're not. Of course not. Why would they be? Let's see. The shill voice kills you. That's how we're going to do it from now on, people. All right, SPY rejected here again. The rate shows an increase of 0.75. The market will eat the most amount of Taco Bell that you've ever seen it eat. If that's what it is. If it's 0.75, which I highly doubt with the Russia stuff, it won't like the half a basis point hike. I mean, no, sorry, 0.5%. 25 basis points is what I think they're going to do. And that's the expectation right now. Mullen crossed on the 6 hour. That's oddly specific. Quad U. Not really doing a whole lot here. What's Lockheed doing? Nothing. TMC is trucking. The metals company. Yeah, 21%. There you go. SPY rejected there again. Amy, 1367. GME rejected around here. Back to 8036. See, Paris struggling to get over 36. You bought GME at 25 and 78. Hopefully the last dip ever. Damn, those chegs aren't moving much. Yeah, I didn't get anything on the cheg. But let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, as you're filtered in, just hitting that like button on the stream too. It helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Thank you guys so much to those of you who have already done it. It really helps out a whole lot. Level 2s on Mullen are stacked with sell orders. Those might be short exams, man. VXX coming back up. Yeah, SPY's projecting here a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. We got 32 minutes to go. White House says will be significant consequences for China if it provides assistance that violates sanctions. What are you going to do to China, bro? What are you going to do? Let's see. He will ban ice cream. All right. Para coming to test that 13 EMA over here. I mean, that could be that test before we start to see it go. What's SPY on the 5-minute? What's it look like over here? Yeah, so SPY needs to break this 48 EMA on the 5-minute. It's probably the same. It's probably the same thing as this 15-minute right here. MACD gonna cross on the SPY. On the 15-minute, it might. It needs a little bit more. Para coming down. 540% on Mullen. Damn. Spy wants Taco Bell. It's just kind of flat over here. The U.S. could start by finally having Moody's downgrade Evergrande as punishment for helping Russia. That's probably where they wouldn't do that because that hurts us more than it hurts them. You have BlackRock and all these big companies that are big bondholders of Evergrande. So if you downgrade them, they get slapped. So then we get hurt. So it did get a little cross here. This MACD was green. This histogram was green for a minute and then just came right back down. AME 1360 coming back down. Paramount coming back down. Breakout on Mullen. Did it break up above 2? Not a breakout. Cross on Costco. What are you licking over there? You licking my bed? Can you not, please? Thank you. Thanks, pal. You in any Disney calls? No, I'm not. Let's see here, people. Spies moving back down into the end of the day here. Mullen, 191. Bond holder. Bond. Funny story, though. All of my, well, I would say, just kidding, not all of mine. At least half of my finance professors are from Asia. There's a big language barrier. Like, I don't know what it is. Some of them I literally could not understand just because of their accent. I couldn't understand them. When we had online class, though, there were subtitles and like closed like captions for like every single lecture. So every single time in fixed income, which is bonds, it would just be like you would read it and it would be fixed income bong and then like bong holder like every single time. And it would sound like it too. That's why I was picking up like that. And I was like, all right. So that's what that made me think of right there. But it was tough, man. I literally couldn't understand anything. I was like, I don't know how to do that. Like, there were a couple other things in there too. There were a couple of other words that like it would pick up as like something else. Uh, 1357 on Amy. Spies moving back down here a little tiny bit. Let's see what we're gonna get here, folks. Yeah. Okay. VXX new day high. Really now? So yeah, Spy's moving down. I need Spy to move big tomorrow. I need something to happen with that Spy strangle. I mean, it's got some time, so we'll see. Just learn Mandarin? No, that wouldn't help me. Having an accent isn't a language barrier. Okay. If you were in the class, you would understand what I was talking about. I'd like it. I'm not trying to I literally just couldn't understand. I just couldn't get it. Rhode Island. I usually get into a lot of stuff in the morning. The morning is where I see the most success. You're a language barrier. No, I literally I probably still have the recording somewhere, and it was just like I just couldn't. I have another professor too who's like very Russian, and he just yells at students. It's hilarious. So like if you ask like a stupid question, he'll like yell at you and call you stupid. It's awesome. Another 1000% on VXX. There you go. No, it's just, I don't know. It was just like for a teacher, like I couldn't, it just wasn't the right match for me. I couldn't figure it out. Let's see. Was Mullen just flickering here? Spies moving down. Where's Para? Did Para end up bouncing or is it just selling off into 35.60? Oh, no, it bounced. There you go. Is GME's cost bar rising? Not really. Like a little bit. 3.36. You need it at like 10. at least percent to really be like, all right, they're feeling the pressure at this point. Let's see. VXX still moving. Yeah, that's like freaking me out over here with VXX because this thing is not going to see. This is not going to reflect the SPY. I don't think, because this, if they have no supply, this thing is just going to run. I think if SPY starts to come down and it just sparks it, like gets like ignites the fuse on this thing, and there's no supply, it's just going to go crazy. I think. Neo sitting at 14. Yeah, that's pretty wild. All right, let's see. Affirm has steadily dropped all day long. Yeah, Affirm. I mean, Melvin owns a boatload of that. Good luck, Melvin, on that thing. Like, you're struggling over there. All right, SPY. We got 25 minutes left to go, people. 416. All right, Squirrel. That was your test right here of 416. Or it's coming to it right here. The low of the day is 415.79. Let's see if it's going to test. It's not as bad as your mother thinking you're shipping her pounds after pounds of drugs for her to store. What? Evcrease. That seems like an interesting story. Remember, folks, market hours have changed. No, they haven't. Neil will hit 950 by April monthlies. Squirrel, if you hit that, that's going to be ridiculous. SPY looks like it's going to test 416. It might bounce off of it, though. All right, let's see what we're going to get over here, folks. All right. Daylight savings, yes. The market doesn't have different hours. It's just slightly weird. Unless you're in one of those zones that like just says screw it to daylight savings, which some of you guys are, I guess. I didn't even know that was a thing. I thought that was just like commonly accepted that like we move our hours around. All right, SPY's coming down. There it is, 416. It's probably going to break right here. Oh, it didn't. Wow, it came right down to 416 and then bounced really quick. Let's look at this on the 5 minute. It's still on the 15 minute. So VXX still coming up. Hour earlier in the UK. Oh, in the UK. Mullen has traded over 1,000% of its float today. That's ridiculous. How are they doing this? We should all say screw it when it comes to daylight savings. Yeah. I mean, it's for like the farmers, isn't it? But like, honestly, like I'm not farming. You guys, I don't think are farming. We're not really like an agricultural, like our whole GDP is not like agriculture. So I feel like we could do without it, you know? It's witchcraft. It's something, dude. It's crime. Okay, it's crime. Fair. It's crime. That's what it is. It's crime. You're a farmer? Damn it. That doesn't work then. You farm? Okay. Yeah. All right. VXX new day highs. This thing's just running. You're farming the SPY? There you go. Crime. So simple. Fair. Crime. Damn, man. Woo! Get on farmers only? Why? Why are we doing this? Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. Hey, what did Squirrel say about SPY eating Taco Bell, asking for a friend? Oh, it is eating Taco Bell. Let's see where my strangle is. It's probably still a little red. Yeah, strangle's a little red right now. Nothing too crazy though. 90% on the paras. Quad U is at the low of the day, and my contracts, my put side is only up 31%. That's drunk. So you didn't? Well, what'd you do, JT? Shorting the VIX might be a good play. Maybe not now. SPY pulling back up a little bit. Old McDonald had a farm, so there's that. Here comes Quad U on the way down. 42. Dude, these contracts are so volatile. So volatile. If it has another day like this tomorrow, like, that's going to be crazy. How many times? They can't. It's naked shorted. It has to be. Unless there's day traders in institutional, like day trading, which I don't think is going to happen all that much, just trading the literal nuts out of it, which, why? What are you sighing about over there? You're on a comfy bed. Relax. Oops. I just kicked a can. Sounds like I'm the Fed. All right, here we go. Got 20 contracts. Strangle Spy, 10 and 10 nervous. Yeah, I think you'll be all right. I don't know. We'll see. I have a SPY strangle. Let's see what happens with it. And on his farm, he had a VIX. Yeah, SPY little pop here. Where quad U little bounce. Where's para? Come on, 36 para. Nope, not doing it. You bring your girlfriend? It's a dog. Let's see. Way too much red. Yeah. All right. We're not doing old McDonald on the stream today. Naked sharts. Yeah, we did say that one time. That was said on the live chat one time. On Late Night Fix with Short the Vix. Naked sharts. Alrighty. 92% on the para. Not bad. If I had Mullen calls, would I hold them overnight? Probably not, man. I don't know. Like, you can do, it could rip. I don't know. I like, don't take what I say is like, because I have no idea what it's going to do. It's so volatile right now. It could absolutely plummet tomorrow, or it could continue on its moon mission. Like, I highly doubt it's going to stay flat. Did you miss the Fed talk today? No, that's Wednesday at 2. SPY back down. You're doubting there will be a squeeze. Why would the shorts cover? They're killing it. Okay, so leave then. If you don't think that this is the best use of your own capital, why are you in it? I think it is. So I'm in it. With a short here and a short there. Everywhere a short. Yep. All right. Amy bouncing off to 25. And on his farm, he had a shill. E-I-E-I-O. All right, people. Let's see. When Maserati Ghibli S. You see the new Maserati? MC20? I think that's what it is. Those are wild looking. All right, we get news over here. White House still pressing for additional pandemic funds. Really? Para bouncing here. SPY not doing a whole lot. You're holding your Mullen because you made them free. Bought 4, sold 2 at 100% this morning. There you go, man. Get ready for the break. 1, 2, 3. Downside. I think it's got too. I think it's got too far to go to do that. I think the buyers are kind of coming back in here. I think we're gonna be all right. MC20 is the affordable supercar. Not. I mean, it's like, what is it? 200 grand? That's not affordable for like a supercar. I mean, you could get some crazy stuff for 200 grand. Like, I wouldn't get a Maserati for $200,000. The MC12, those are wild. Cross that bridge when we get there, huh? All right, let's see. Any major news this week besides Powell? We're gonna see some updates on the Russia stuff. But really, Powell is going to be driving the market because rate hikes. Corvette, not a. What are C8s, like 70 grand? Yeah. Also, if you guys do want to learn the strategy, the 1348 strategy, the link to the Discord is in the top over here. Learn the strategy, guys. Come on. There's only so many times that I can say it. Once you learn it, then you might be ready to join the premium Discord with the big boys, but just do yourself a favor, learn the strategy. Let's see here. Taste the rainbow. Alrighty, 1353 on Amy. Let's see what we're going to get here. Is Powell tomorrow on Wednesday? Powell Wednesday. The best case scenario for what Powell would say to the market is So you could like say that no rate hike would be the best for the like short-term market rally, but in general, you kind of want them to raise it 25 basis points because of inflation. Like you kind of need them to do something. So I would say 25 basis point hike, best case scenario. 50 basis points, the market's going to sell hard. Cole, that's what 1348 is for, so people can make more money and buy more AMC if they want to. That's literally what it's for, and it's been working. So we're doing our part here to try to like empower everybody that if you don't have enough money to buy more AMC right now from your job or something, but you do have a little bit to trade with, then you're good to go. Like there are people in here making shitloads of money with this strategy. That's why we talk about it all the time, because it really does work. $500 million in volume in Mullen. Jesus, that is ridiculous. $12.5 basis point hike. I don't think they'll do that. I think they'll go 25. You were crushing it today until you fat fingered your SPY. What'd you do, David? What'd you do? All right, let's see. 40%? No. It's basis points. All right, let's see here. Amy coming down to that 25 MA. Mullen coming down a little bit here. Where's Para? Is there a way to see stocks by volume daily? Yeah, you can do it on FinViz. You can set up a screener with like high volume. Do you think the interest rate hike is going to affect oil? It'll affect a lot of things. It could cause oil prices to come down a little bit if it's going to combat inflation. Would I swing $14 puts on NIA? Depends on how much they're up. Holding overnight these days is very risky unless it's free. Turnaround Tuesday. SPY's not down over 1%. SPY's only down 0.8% right now. I mean, it easily could fall to below, like down over 1% here. You're going to buy the dip when I see fit tomorrow, probably early after open. Millie, there you go. Good for you. I feel like you have to have shitloads of money to make loads of money. Well, I agree, 1340 it works, but it's hard to get gains on small accounts. Got to start somewhere. But Jelly hearing all the gains. Alex, if you were in the, I don't know if you're in the premium, but we were talking about literally if you're making like 0.5% a day, 0.5% on average, your account increases by 227%. These trading strategies are a long game. I do this too. I think about it like, oh, shoot, I want to hit this big trade now to feel better about myself. So I have a giant percentage gain. That's not how we should look at this. Like, I'm kind of starting to switch things a little bit. Like I did it on Para today and it's working really well. So it's all about the small base hits. Get the small wins, stack them up. And if you can cut most of it, take your money off the table with some profit and let some freebies run, that's how you got to go with things. But it's not about these like stringing together like 500% plays. Like you can't do that all the time. Like, yeah, those will come and you'll hit them, but it's more about the small base hit trades that you need to be really focusing in on to just like, all right, how much did I gain today on my entire account? Was it 1%, 5%, 0.5%, whatever it is, just make it more consistent and you will get there. Chasing gains can blow up your account quick. Yes. You can only afford one call at a time. Hard to leave runners. Yeah, it is. So you almost have to just see your gain on the table, take it. See your gain, take it. See your gain, take it. And just keep stacking it up that way. Maserati's dropping value like a firm did. Yeah, dude. Went to AAL for today and lost money on it. Yeah, I only made 13% on it, but once it started coming down hard and I was looking at the SPY, I was like, out, give me my money back. I want a little bit of gain. I'm out. It was not a lot of money because I went small on AAL because I just didn't. AAL can be really, really volatile, but at the same time, I was just like, all right, a gain's a gain. That's how I'm looking at it right now. It's like if I have money on the table and it's looking like it's going to come down, I'll just take it. And if it's not enough where I can leave free contracts, then that's just kind of what the trade's giving me. No gain for AAL today when I got in. Alex, where'd you get in? Because I got it right at the cross. Right at the cross right here. I wrote it up a couple of candles and then sold it off on this one. I think it crossed here, got it on this candle, wrote it up to this candle, was looking good, and then right back down. 13% gain right here. And I think the contracts were like, I think they were $25, I think. Something cheap like that. You had to cut it for a loss. Two, you're going to have to cut losses as well. You also, I know you really want to make the money now, but you have to think about it like, this is going to take, like, it's not like yeah, you can hit a couple of trades and you can crazily increase your account if you're going to hold stuff. It can happen, but that shouldn't be the goal. That should be the goal to be like, all right, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to try to hold these contracts until they're up 200, 300, 400, 500% in order to like double my account in a day. You can do it. It's possible. I've done it before. You guys see those crazy trades that I hit sometimes, but usually I don't hold the whole position till then. I'm just getting out. Like, I'll just be like, after 100%, especially on like a Friday or something, out. Thank you. Make it free. Oh, you were in at 41? Yeah, I gotcha. Oh, you just top ticked it? Yeah, so you're a little late on it. Just took your 30% on Mullen. Looks like it's getting ready to dump. The day traders might be selling it off into close. Cut 2 losses today, 2 for 4. Chopped up. SPY puts paid really nice, though. There you go, Carl. This whole is AMC dead thing is like crazy. I might make that. That might be the video I make tonight. That might be the video I make tonight. Because everybody's just asking it. And it comes down in my mind again. It's just like, stock down bad, stock up good. Like, that's kind of what it's looking like here. Like, I'm trying to think of other examples, like, of stocks like this. In situations like this, the market is not conducive to things running up. It's not just AMC. Everything is getting slapped. NEO, Affirm, PayPal, all of these stocks that have a little bit of test, everything is getting sparked. And nothing has changed. It's actually gotten better in terms of the prospects of AMC going up in the future. Let's see. Todd, thank you so much for the super buddy. Dude, you're handling everything that they can hit you with. You must be bulletproof, just like Amy. Thanks for all you have been putting up with. It's fine, man. I mean, it's the job. I mean, I decided to do this. So, I mean, this is what now we have to talk about it. You're on spring break this week, so I'll try to be back again tomorrow. Christopher, there you go, buddy. I'm on spring break too. Let's see. Mulling around over here. Amy, 1358. How is Oxy? Bad today. I'm kind of not messing around with oil anymore with these commodities. I mean, it's down 4% today. Oil's just selling hard. Where's oil right now? We haven't even really looked at it all that much today. Oh, wow. 101.88. That's low on oil. So LME says nickel contracts will resume trading on March 16th. So Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. So nickel contracts will start trading again. They're going to spark. Is there a way for us to? All right. So here's probably what they're going to do with nickel. If they have found a way to figure out how to tank the value of these contracts, which they might have done. This is what we're looking at here. They may find out a way to make these nickel contracts really come down so that these big whales over in China, I think it's in China, don't get sparked. So if we see nickel stocks, which we might want to do a little bit of research on tonight and tomorrow before it opens up on Wednesday, nickel stock puts or strangles could be the play of the year. in terms of options. Like, it could be dirty. We'll have to wait and see. Let's see. A nickel is worth 10 cents right now. That was funny. Have Citadel sell it? All right, that's funny. Guys, also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We got 5 minutes left to go. Oxy's coming back up here a little bit. Oh, spy candle. Up. I mean, it's just kind of recapturing the previous candle, but where's Perez? They're trying to make a move to... not really. AMC could take years to squeeze. So what? That's how I view it. It's like, well, that's kind of how I look at things. Like, I put in an amount of money. It's the biggest bet that I've ever taken going into a stock, but I'm still looking at it like, all right, it could take a while. My average is 26 right now. I got to average down soon, which now is a pretty good time. You're too late. Nicola's already started the shark fin. Damn it. We'll see. What nickel stock specifically? Well, that's what I would have to take a look at. Would Paracol be worth holding overnight? I'm gonna hold my freebie on it and see what happens. JJN. What's this? Nickel? Ah. Damn it, Ryan. You're right, pal. Yeah, those one. I mean, there's no volume on this chain, but I wouldn't touch this just because there's no action on it, but that is kind of wild. Let's see. It's not all just about you. Okay. I'm going to give you a little bit of an asshole statement here. Yes, it is. I'm not telling you what to do. So yes, at the same time, it is my job to kind of give you guys the information. At the end of the day, I'm responsible for my own money and I'm fine with holding it for years. So it is all about me and what I'm doing with my position. You guys can listen to what I have to say about the stock and be like, all right, yeah, this is okay. But at the end of the day, it's all about you too. Like, your opinion on it is what you need to care about. For me, it's all about, okay, what am I doing with my position on AMC? So it is all about me. That's not me trying to be like an idiot. It's just like, all right, I'm fine with holding this for years in looking at what's going on here. That's just what we're looking at here. It's all about everybody individually. That's when I say like my opinion doesn't matter. My opinion on it isn't. The presentation of the facts do matter, but my opinion on some things just like don't matter. Let's see. Hi, still holding AMC and GME. Hit my 1-year holding mark and willing to add at these levels and lower. There you go. Turnaround Tuesday. SPY's not down over 1%, so you can't really get the turnaround Tuesday. Using my sign business to fund my 1348 addiction. There you go. All right, people, you got 2 minutes left here. X tomorrow? No. Like the stream, people? Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see. Read Gasparino's latest tweet about sit on virtual payment for order flow. Gary Gensler. They're asking for proof it hurts retail. Go look at they're so stupid. They should go look at Public's study with like the PF something score. There's some score in there that they're like, yeah. Ever since we switched from payment for order flow, our customers have been getting way better execution. AMC is dead. Funny. That might be the video for tonight. I think that might be what we do. 700% on Para, 130% on Moderna, 80% on Spy. Good day. Thanks, my man. Gonna work out now. See you tomorrow. JT, add a freaking boy, dude. I love to see you crushing it, man. If you DM me on Twitter, will I get it? I'll probably get it. I'll probably see it. It depends on the day, but I'll probably see it. 1359 on AMC over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. 3580 on Para. How many shorts can a hedge fund short if a hedge fund could short shorts? All right, less than a minute to go, people. Let's see what we're gonna get here. What does the AMC options chain say? It looks all right. It's just there's so many puts in the money right now that they're shorting the nuts out of it. The market maker, and they could be doing it with short exempts. We just don't see it. I mean, you could look at the short exempt volume, but just grabbed 190 shares. There you go, man. Counselor Diamond Hands, I appreciate the super, buddy. Thank you. People, please be adults and take accountable for your own trades. It's like some of you all want YouTubers to give you a piggyback ride. Maybe sometimes. I think people are just looking for guidance sometimes, but then they're just like, well, what do I do? It's like, I can't tell you what to do. I can tell you what I'm doing, but it's not going to be the same. Like, I'm a young guy with I'm perfectly fine with staying in this for a while. I don't have I'll just tell you right now, I don't have that many crazy expenses. I don't have a family to take care of. So my situation is going to be different than everybody else's. Let's see here. Oh, ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. AMC got busted up today, down 75 cents. GME was down $14.62. Jesus. That was wild. SPY was down 0.74%. Jeez, man. All right, people. So if you guys are going to head out now, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. If you're stressed out about AMC and GME and these price movements, you want to make a little bit of money on the side, just join everybody else that's using 1348. The link to the Discord is in the top of the live chat over here. You got all night to start studying up until we get into the market tomorrow. We'd love to see you guys in the premium, in the private live streams, and getting all those alerts on the 350 stocks on the 3-minute time frame, 15, 30-minute, 4-hour crypto, 4-hour daily, all of those alerts that we're firing off for you guys. So make sure you guys check that out if you are interested. Other than that, guys, let's get after it again tomorrow. If AMC is going to do its thing, let's make sure we can kind of get either of those losses back or our accounts green just by trading the market, just kind of going with the volatility. So guys, hit that like button on the way out. Other than that, everybody, hopefully you guys have a great afternoon. Video will come out at 6 p.m. tonight. So make sure you guys have notifications on for that. Other than that, people, peace.